In a corner says, say, I call. Oh, right now, will go for my. If your mother, I'm walking more, you would think. I dare you to come to B division to come and tell this girl. Yes. Great, Shama, how are you? Come and tell this girl. Oh, the same kind of thing about when I came with. That is the reason why. All the authority petition. One of back, I started the petitions to one idiot who wrote to me, and he was writing journal. And I was like, are you mad? Petition that come in as a WhatsApp text message. Are you an idiot? Are you mentally deranged? Are you mentally deranged? Are you not properly raised? It's like what you're doing is a piece of office. Because I know one of them is either one of the police persons that is doing the case that wrote it to me. The man deleted the message and I told him, well, Abada Demain is no longer the owner of that name. It belongs to another person. So for you to even include it in my petition, it seems you're a mad fellow. So send me. Send me a heart to me. Why will I be having a 12 heart to me when I have 100 or something viewing? Is it heart to me people will send to me? Only the one be able to this for the other team for go to the live stream, man. Please is priceless. For a live stream, move. Oh, she be able to actually. He really cash. Move away from my live stream because. Question lost my boss. Good morning. Okay, good afternoon. Leave my live stream, please. Guys, people should send me money. Or they go. Me, I'm broke. There's one woman that said I should not come and talk about this thing on this live stream. I will talk about it. It's the joy of God. If we joy of God, if we mean me, me and the one to the second. It's about toy. Kaja one name. Sky Angel, how are you? This woman and Mimi saw me through the hospital stuff. I'm telling you. Both feeding. Constantly checking up on me. She did not even judge me or say anything to me. Or tell me that, I've been on call with you till stop. What happened to your hand? My baby. I got my Dabajaka, my baby. Sky baby. So if we joy of God, don't know if we joy of God, she say thank you. If not because of respect or I want to keep it, I could have post that woman picture. Very nice. I fell from the step. And I felt that okay, I met her Sky Angel. Go around, make it move. We are quarreling. We're no longer friends. People should send me money to my money points. Don't come and be listening to gossip here. 100 and something and you're viewing. If you're here for this, actually move. Move away from here. Move away from here. Sky Angel, I love you more, but I don't know where you went to. I don't know where you went to. You just disappeared. Joy of God was busy calling me. Mimi was also busy checking up on me. Mimi called me always. Jerry, always. And Mimi is with her husband though, a married woman. Okay, Sky Angel, my baby, I love you. Buy something, no. And I'm not joking. Buy something for coming back from Lagos. So, Mimi was even with the husband. And she's calling me to check up on me. You can't mind in the house. I'm telling you, a very genuine person. Joy of God is every morning. She'll check up on me. Swanky, they go call me. Swanky, go go. Swanky, don't listen to them. Swanky, don't come online. Swanky, take care of yourself. Swanky, do this one. Swanky, I'll send you money. Come, but I am telling you, big baby, you're here for the action. I'm gonna send their 10,000 before a move way. She saw me through. Oh no. One day that's him, Bobo, why you come up for house? Or where you come up for house? Or why you go party? Or Mary, even till now, even today, I don't want to come like, so I keep their life. I want to see your face, so they keep their life. And that's true, because my phone is having fault, screaming about Bobo. Because of what she told me, after I was done with my injection, more their life. Because I remember the last time in catch I know you're on the FYP. We are wine they deploy a cool guess or you won't marry it in as Ndra George Yogo, who yet look at the poor. In just about Babido, child God on Monday, child God on Monday, child God, may I take off one now you mad, are you a mental ill patient? Are you a mental ill patient? One pile fully care. Are you a mental ill patient? Just God, I can block your son best. But I let some best and you well when. Although come now, we are not. A cook girl, I swear to God. You make noise. Oh, sako. Man, not the same person make for sako. But why sako? Hey, Swanky. Yes, I'm a beggar. In fact, I'm like no. Since 5 days now, they have been coming to my window. Can you me? Let me show you people can have wallet. I don't know how to show you. They are the window. I don't know. The light is covering it. I don't know. Up the video, like so they will come and stay more than 4 or 5 hours. They will not. How they go get that? 2 of them.
Oh, I busy goes. Oliver now.
Feed them with rice. It means abundance. Okay, I'll feed them with rice. Send Diego rice. So kita because me and contribution to go to 500,000. Now money points. What does it mean about Diego? They are looking for a place to build their nest. I mean, no pam nest. Come out, me ya wa. I mean, we can.
What kind of
Let me tell you, all rest in la one jara apia wunde mo. You just do the basin, jinkate para ya. In my life, you know, Swanky, only torato. Written is 39, going 40. How old am I? When you are my age, you're still with a person. Even if I talk with him, 35 years of age. All recently came into Lulobiri. And you're coming to speak with, like, from where to where? I don't get it. Obaribo, good morning. Obaribo, thank God you joined this live. Biko, my money point is available. You got the knock. Oh, good 50, Pakanjia Jido to Maka. So I can go and show what quiet here. I have the video. In the video. Oh, go, Mutua. Oh, go back, I show you. You look so tacky with that behavior. You don't even copy to be professional. You copy and it looks so unprofessional and not at all of authenticity in whatever you do. Obaribo, I'm fine. Just a little bit of your cash can make me feel better. Thank you. You know, I call copycat, 70-year-old man that doesn't have sense. After up to 6 million naira, and yet there's no visible proof, evidence that show that you invested the money properly. Rather, you before me go iPhone 12. You lack fashion sense, and yet you're talking to me. Recent chief without 10, my chief 100 for wardrobe. For where? Who be you? Who born you? From there to there. Be man very much because one.
Because like technical hero, you can't marry woman. That is the message.
Is it this one? I brought it in. How about Barbarian? Let me show you.
Jean can you? Jean. Oh, you really Swanky. Swanky, I'm talking about Jean or Bucky. Not Aquaberia. I'm going to go. We are west like that. So kill you. Ezo Swanky is for these things. I'm not a mother. So maybe you got a Swanky and address here, maybe. It was Swanky and address here. Mimi, why you born?
Ma come when I pop Biko. Okay, man, I know maybe I come. Yeah, I'm not because I quite your plan. Now say, guys, oh, Boga, this one, guys, we call Boga. I want to see more.
I just swipe lesser. Where about that? One thing about nah, that didn't know that will be more from Shishinake or going to be in cat. Oh, from she in cat. Nke bi na mafu mana akụrụ ya ihe ka na-ekwu because anything can happen. Ọ ka abịa mafu m obi. Ọ bụrụ maka nke na asịọrọ ihe na ịma na anọmarị ọkacha aka kọrọ atọ ọchị. Afọ ebe ọ na-ebe akwa ka eme ọ na-agụ egwu chọọchị like ọ dị emotional. Si Chineke ogiri Apa dị funny.
Asachawa olie maka ọ chere ịdị egwu amoro na tije. Asachawa olie.
Ka egwu ahụ gụrụ ebekwa akwa o. That boy ka add.
Diamond, so ịsa akwa ya ọkụ a n'ihi ya.
You don't need to shout. Oh, I shout to that. That what together.
Akwa ga-agba ọgwụ. Ma ihe nke ka dị ọzọ na-eche otu o si edosa ọ na-akọ dị tin ka ada ịzọ na-epu.
No phone. I'm attack now. Since the phone that channel, I must come here now. Yes, I'm back.
Hi, baby. Welcome back.
What happened? Some bet my phone. I don't know. Since all that channel, everything it has not been issue. But very soon, I will receive the other. How is camera Samsung? How is Samsung? Can you camera Samsung? Which are
on a dem but
Samsung? I am 23 Ultra. 23 Ultra. How is Abi?
Yeah, na iPhone. Come on. Okay, if I have the iPhone now.
All of them, but all depends. All depends.
What do you mean, bitch? I'm a big bitch.
Beacon.
Boy, how are you?
Like if video he made this morning go hey today. You come madora tagaro. You come madora tagaro.
Man, come me on. Me from you na correction.
Oh, one minute. Oh,
You carry on.
Some say that's the call you on. I want me. You got the call.
oh, one in the corner.
You get.
I don't know what
you guinea. You body it's like you guinea. You hear you body.
Fair warning.
Okay,
Fair warning. Yes. So that also lawyer call. So that everything I call. Matter to can you name a saga page? Call on. That boy called her upon go had before she hampered.
On your
Jean, where you Jean?
That's short. That is short.
Jean.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Okay, you never
I don't know dry cleaner. Well, that time I married you, baby, not in a dry cleaner.
Office in a gun, no. Office. Why no can no. I know what
because send me a hat to me. I ain't a mimi because I ain't a really like I have 400,000.
I will remember you take the street. That why the end.
I can't tell you. You cannot shame the shameless. Fitness mom, leave me alone. You don't ask of me. Saying, leave me. One your job. No one knows about over doing. You know the fitness mom and then you want to oh no. Oh, what a war joy over a weekend after finding out that I'm
not the mere.
I know me.
What you bro, but
I know me. Oh God, when I go here to bomb my she did not ask of me.
I am a gun. I am a
She
gun.
did not ask of me. I find out for weekend.
Your number.
I got her.
Like one address.
I got her.
One address. One address.
I got her.
Joy me.
Why you camera down? Boga.
Joy me. Joy me. Go back address. Go go your number. You put your number now. So I cannot call you. I be asking of you.
WhatsApp. Ma call come and tell me WhatsApp. Number.
Oh, please express.
Ma call na WhatsApp.
Saga material.
It is the number.
Saga material.
But let me tell you, Marco, let me tell you, to me, nothing like saga material. Maba.
Abi.
And what are
na swanky. What is it now? Who is so
bad? Can he koga? Priya. Oh, iku na wa America ya ana chat. Onye dey specific classy. Oh, ya do lose. Breath neck carry ohun Owerri. Any the rape, boy men like ofete. So when saga material with efu. Or not possible. And now is an orphan. I'm an orphan and I'm doing fine. Orphan and I'm doing fine. Can you also?
What you Makazupa? Or better skinny disease.
I'm fine. I'm a fine person from the onset. One bench on job.
Mbobure Amazon market half year here now.
Yes, I go on a job. It's like he's all over here. But in case Joy of God, yes, you can. I can. Intakata yo kuchi yo mako mo ha mo. Abike no ima ho abuchi. Nyele heme. Chaka kile oku no otitu mo kibru wine. All the ngozi na titi mo kibru wine. Ole oku. Ke hi na ekuru onye diriu. They called me so that I will rescue mission for you. You, they dismissed from your place of work because of bad misconduct. You, a wretched bastard. No, nah. Don't do that, bitch. Don't do it. Don't do it. You're not relevant here. I know you better than any other person. I'm going to carry another person. Don't do that, nah. In the name of execution on you. We can't in wrestling by go to pay. Wait here in a court. Which case have you stood and won? Mention it as a lawyer. Yes, you. Which of the case did you do better? Or in a glory in the mud? Hillary, give we come a simple and photo when we both know that we're not doing anything. We both know that you're not doing anything. Hey, so something mistake. Yeah, whoa. Hey, whoa. Customer chat on. This is a reputation. Our highway. And what here? You will provide a clip of that video very soon. You provide the young way which year goes though. What's a nine? Because again, I will do my appreciation video online and I'll later post a video. Because people who go Simba is a friend of my enemy. Leave my life stream. Oh, whoa. I'm a food stuff because if I need a provision, please do a bill to me. Although quiz they were an orphan. What I have on. Bill. If you are selling anything, food items, send to me. Oh, one by one kitty video, they will be, hey, he's a nice person. That boy is a nice. Shop game walk me. You make that bend the aqua pondro. Come to me, Megan. Something in shop. You can be actually. You only be actually for good in a life. I command no eba. Pico. Only be actually. Shop game walk.
Can I get this one?
I come out of me ego. Or them. So on me ego. That's my uncle now. That's my uncle which I got on my tongue last week.
So this weekend and what?
So sorry.
The thing is about the Goku said. What you may say for family, huh? I got this weekend.
Yes, ma.
Biko.
Maybe I have a problem.
I want to join your life because of Ashiri. Move work, I can't help you. Because of that, told me 400,000.
Swanky.
This as a meter is screen phone, so told me. And
careful, give me banana. Oh, that I
don't care now. Phone on there, on a kata or 4. Screen had with problem.
That's 16. That's 16.
Yes.
Jesus.
So I am really glad that fly from one. Njana konyo yo na ko. Go on na kon here. Always in rape room. All the was any evidence of rape. Women who to a problem. And this is a very sweet killing case on the man.
Daga. Only over.
Yeah.
All over police take it up. They're undertaking. Sign no. Is a here or the melatan.
Daga. Omari ye go so no my you not boni me.
39 years old. Naga 40. Old layer, my dear. Sometimes I'll be like, when you're advice. Okay, if I can choke you queer, people around you do not advise you. You never marry, but to you empty vessel. It's Kalewa for that matter. It's up and down.
That day, that's when you were in a comment section. I see.
Ever since I battery and buy by that time. I'm no young man with respect, Mario.
Right.
And the one
it's not
yes, or neighbor no women like that's not Bezu. That guy,
But do you know the expression on his face when I came live that day? That bitch was so disappointed.
Yes. Yes.
Oh, that's like I just got the kumba samba life anger or the man. That bitch was so disappointed. People were like, "Oh, you should not know okay, better life." Yeah, it's like you don't know me. You can never mock me. Not from somebody like him. No, now. For what purpose? Race to mock me. Like, get or 6 million, according to you, but there's no tangible thing you've done with that money.
6 million got 3 million.
Nothing.
Also not extra.
Also not extra one.
Akoko.
We all know.
Nobody boy, I was not.
Eh, why? Eh, the 6 million. I am doing that. I am
Am I alive for the house? I'm meeting Jesus. Now here, I got like that. But that guy, you gave me. If you not take time,
I swear with my life. I will know she can connection. You have the number of all this girl when you information. On a B division. I'll go on the division in column. B division. I'm more. Gawaka.
You go run. And the girl got before you leave there, the girl got the guy.
Wow.
Best boss like we're not invading privacy call out.
Yeah, I don't know.
The problem there about when I'm chasing the girl. After the video, a berry program. And I'll be okay now.
I was not evidence. So the girl got what as here.
Racing, call it all the
racing, but the girl get what that is never one racing. Oh, Hannah will not communicate. Okay, queer born.
Exactly.
That's exactly. Okay, queer born. Okay, what the evidence.
I don't know. Big Wesley, how are you? Nuela, hey, my big boss. Nuela, good morning, good afternoon. Okay, now they will claim that the chat is AI. How can our chat be AI? How can it be AI? Now listen, after one, this chat in negotiation is not screenshot. This chat has chat history, and which DSS can actually verify that it has a chat history of originality. This is the chat.
And the girl's phone is yo, who goes on with the phone?
So this is the phone. So how far you? How this chat was not moved? It's original. Yes. So tell me how it's now AI generated. Noel and I'm fine. No.
What's up? I don't do AI. What's up? They do AI. You.
Banun keteno. Or to know how Oracle and AI. I'm going 100,000 after 18. After 18. That was a chat history.
That girl na kwa number gi na aga aga. Nka that one alone will go to pure evidence.
Hey, na no na see about the girl. I am born here. All you see the number gi na aga, the number is going through. While I voice note
That girl have a problem. You go provide. You go provide the guy. You go provide.
That girl very loose. Omari here.
Omari here. Oh,
I don't know. Just for treatment. He claim okay, you will opportunity will make again a one. Again, a kitchen. You have all need you. Just again. Keep on go.
Abu nwoke azụ ga-azị a ọfọdụ ndị ọzọ o bere ogogo onwe ya sef ọ ga-ewetakwa igo pay swanky money o ego pay swanky money for damage of name
na blacklisted na Anambra no onwe ga-enye ya ọrụ kịta na Anambra ọ ya akpọtụzi na Anambra.
So, okay, I want to remember ego. I'm been this app. Your ego and your case. But what you imagine? This is it. Or if it's AI generated racing when you called my line, wait for line and you put in a live stream. Look at it. Good.
That number went through. That number got through. It's ranked. So why did number ring?
Evidence too.
If the phone was stolen and if it was looking for SIM card.
Is this?
Yeah, I don't know.
Is this not your voice? Racing, this is your profile.
Who laugh last? Laugh best.
Laugh best.
And mind you, on that your video record I have, Racing, my phone number was shown. Breach of Guinea privacy, you just be the marrow. My number is on a live stream. And people are posting on their page, breach of privacy. Go and read more. You don't really know me. And I could breach of privacy, my number was showing. And you my number on the live stream.
They go bill now. They go bill. That you know someone and I got damage. I get bill.
You played my voice note on a live stream. Now, you are claiming that not AI generated. I'm going to AI generated in whatever I do. This chat is original and authentic.
Maybe iPhone, why they use? What's up at AI?
Exactly.
What's up at
now, this chat said, matter. Even DSS can verify it.
Yeah.
To show the originality or show how the chat history of any WhatsApp audio. Do you understand? So this is it. But the boy, chat again, I'm waiting chat there. Let kunu shibido. Okay, who kumla shibido.
But take that guy. How come you get the number? This nudge is people of the other party. Please, leave my live stream before. Maybe the Kwapa go on. Onya, cannot check your WhatsApp at once. Please tell me on please what is it? I wanted to check your WhatsApp message and my live stream ended. My phone is having an issue. But thank God, I'll fix my screen very soon once my money is complete. Nudge, leave me, you're not my friend. Don't come to my live stream because you don't like me, I don't like you. Onya, I'll check it after. Now, don't tell me that nonsense. Now, I'm going to show you. In my hand, this girl, because you want a number, people will have his number now. Yes.
Do you understand? They can message you. They use fake account and message you on TikTok. You share your number now. Maybe once you hear that, I have something to say about Swanky, on your number. Do you understand it?
Yeah.
So that's it. Yeah. But this girl said, look at what the girl said. The reason why the girl sent out this message is that she said I've dragged her on a live stream one day. Now, in her own words, she said, "Good morning, sir. Please, I have something to discuss with you. Please keep me anonymous." In her hair. Press respond. Oh, 8:19 because you send a message. And here respond by 8:40. Then Osia go ahead. The girl said, regarding to that bastard Swanky. Osia, okay, please go ahead. The girl said, please, I will delete this chat soon because of my boss. Mason said it's okay. The girl said, so you can save it from your own end. Mason said, okay. Then the girl proceeded and said, the idiot has landed himself into trouble. He was raped last night with so much injury that I'm sure that will lead to power and dislocation. Okay? Macy, thank you, my baby. You guys should send me money, not me. Do you see me saga anyone? You don't see saga me. I would say your total for you if you try and thank you.
So now, yesterday, right? Now the girl continued and said he went to see someone who promised him iPhone 17 Pro and some cash, and the boy called his friend and dealt with him. Now he's currently at IGBO Medical Hospital, Oka, as we speak. Now let me shock you. Nah, our name, okay, Mara. IGBO Medical Center is actually going to sue the girl for releasing their address on a bad manner, because the way you got out their name on the internet on issue of rape, you will clear because it's damages you're doing to them. Now listen again.
Yes.
Now he called my boy because the man reached out to me and said which of the police station is the girl. So I think they'll be moving there today to actually pressure this against. Now, ain't like gonna problem. Go and bear your baby. He called my boss, the girl name. He called my boss just to confirm it. He's begging for hospital bill money, and his phone was collected too. Now, Wesley said, "How did you now know? So how did you now know about this, if I may ask?" The girl said, "My boss spoke with him this morning. Trust me in this." Now, Wesley Joy, where do you base? The girl said, "I even know his family background and said I base in Oka too." Okay. Can you go and make a video of him in the hospital today, or maybe send someone? Now, when the girl swear his mother was not married because she was caught with another man. I have a lot to say about him. Now, the girl said, okay, say that he will look for a way and go to the hospital, but I don't think it will be possible, but I will try. It's raining since morning. Trust me, you won't see him online for a very long time. Very sincere. Getting a video or a picture of me in the hospital will back up my claims. The girl said, I will try. I'm reading with proof. You can screenshot. I don't read without proof. Hey. Nemo. Hey. Rest is here, okay. Now, the girl continued and said, the idiot insulted me on his live stream and I felt bad. How about getting a voice note of where he was asking for my boss to help him pay his hospital bill? Okay. Jehovah. Ladies and gentlemen, here is the hospital bill money that you claim your boss refused to pay. Oh, okay, listen here. Once I see picture a video of him, then I'll start my program, which is dragging me. And he claimed that I want for dragging cages. Who remember when Racing said that the girl reached out to him so that he could actually advocate and help me? Did you remember when he made that statement?
Yes.
Who else remembered?
Yes,
Now, this is the receipt of the man. And on a kuku abandon, right? See, come off it. When you are big, you are big. I have people that loves me. With the phone and I can't, but because when they brought in my phone, it was not like I cannot. My screen is very bad. Look at what they got. Look at what I got. So go and price this in the market. Price for 50. Price it. Price how much it is in the market. Price it in the market. Maybe church or church. I don't like it there. They say they will change it. They'll come and wait me back, they will change it and give me a 23 Ultra. Now let's continue. Now I'm not going to give proof. Ima always in a call. Aralemo mage, aralemo page. You could neg in a case bone. Maha con. Each take on the Banakujere case a con. Now, rest is say good. Okay, rest is say I always trust you. I'll see the girl get the picture. I need a backup evidence. The girl said, give me an hour or thereabouts. I will try. Now, the rest is say, believe me, you are well protected. Only my baby, I cannot give you the picture so that it will not spoil my fine case. My smooth, nice case. More I can give. No, my baby, yeah, fear very soon. When she will be coming online to apologize. Man, what's your online by me apology video?
Oh, God, go damage.
No. I'll put my apology video. Now, the girl said, private. I'll always update you about his family because I know a lot. When she said, okay, I will. Now, this is it. Who remember this?
Where they could commence treatments. The bill is almost up to 3.
Is it not my voice note? And is it not this voice of wrestling was playing on his own life? So how is it AI generated? And the girl said, Please, this voice note should be played once so I won't be suspected. Very sincere, good. My boss said do not want to go because of the expenses will be much. Your boss sent me 453,000. Yes, receipt today. Now I think he has filed already. And dislocation on his leg. Okay. This is my leg. Now you dislocate me. You don't want to know how dislocation. I can jump up. See. How? You have a lot to prove. When we start. Now listen. For my hand, I had a minor injury. Just because the plaster removes, I can actually, this is my hand. You see? So, how are you? I'm okay with me, Julie. How are you? I had injury, not dislocation. You will prove. Now, let me show you again. Analyze Abi. If you know I don't have lawyer go chakpa, I will come here to beg every day. Even to go inside the market to beg to raise money to have something to do with you. We move. Now, Resin said, okay, his number is switched off anyway. The girl said, I'm not lying. Resin said, I called you with my second line, it's off. You are saying the truth. He called me with my second line and he rang. His number stopped 59. Now, the girl said, he lost his phone too. Hold on, let me get another voice note. Resin plays this one also.
A SIM card and maybe an Android phone. So, here's for communication now.
Please, if you were here when you play the second voice note, indicate he played the second one too. Is this not my voice also? Or AI generated? Is it AI generated? Let's be sure. It rang. Now, the girl said, I learned it was his boyfriend. It was his boyfriend's plan. Who Swanky has planned to dump after he might have sent him 5 million. He promised him for business. That Swanky is greedy and selfish. I learned that the boyfriend gave him 1.5 million as a birthday gift. It was 2.5, not 1.5 as a birthday gift they gave me. You lied in this part. It was 2.5, yes. And if you want receipt, I can show you. But as a birthday gift and other surprises, yes, money bouquet and other things. You saw yourself. But you remember when you said I surprised myself? Abby, I used the money they gave me for pressure to surprise myself. Now, and other surprises, also bought phone for Jerry. Hey, that means now Doguna. You're such a foolish person, no. Now, please keep me anonymous. I'll keep you updated. Good, just relax. Don't erase anywhere. Now the girl continued. He was raped by 2 people, and I'm so happy. Racing sound quiet. Good. He is very silly. I am going live now. The girl said, my legend, go on. I will chat to you. How could she chat? Now, from what I read to you, how does it seem that now Racing, they reach out to Racing so that he could actually help me out? Does any part of my message indicate any form of help? Let it not be like I'm overreacting, no? Or let it not be like I misunderstood him. People should help me with this case and judge. Was there any part of that message that looked like somebody that wants to help somebody? Yeah? The girl's elder brother came this morning. After I was done with medication, we went. This man said that girl has always been bringing problems. That now I don't go there for a very long time. I had the money. Now, I spoke to her. I will not publicize you now, but I will. Give me a clip of where I was raped. Peace of peace. Thank you. I want more clip here. Do you know what he did the next thing? He called, you won't die in Jesus. He called Jerry, Send Jerry message. Hey, call Swanky. Bring Swanky. Let Swanky come up. Can I go to their phone? Can you 200,000? Go to the phone. System card, yeah. All of a sudden. Hey. One time I won't meet. I will hit her. One network I can move. I just say you will go in real life. You in real life. I want us to do something. He said it's even just the beginning. Thank you. Now, Tyrone, Beacon, make racing come out. Kaiga on. Let's go outside. Let's video ourselves. Let's know who looks shrinked. He easily feel intimidated by somebody doing better than him. Go and notice it. He easily feel intimidated. Oh, okay, on page and so, but they're communicating with a good grammar. And he's bringing his grammatical blunder. And others are not even, others are doing better. Oh, we go quick. He easily feel intimidated. I can tell you for free. That is what promotes what he does. You have nothing upstairs. You have more. Okay. God are alive. He kept calling me. Then now, after God are alive for some time. Wait. Analog. And you're like that, yeah.
Yala. What is it? Look at Lana. I got to go. But I now.
Hindi room na log. Hi. Now, because people should contribute money from I need like 50,000 or 100 today. Do you understand? Because I'll post my business page for my fashion store so that people can go and follow before we start posting. It's even high time I post my skincare page to online. I don't want anything saga. They'll start going to report my account, do all those stuff. Anyway, let's send your account number. Now, others than now come account number called Diego. One young them. Name my account number, my sister, and she's my sister. My big sister. My baby. One in Diego. Otomo. Baby in Kem. But I send the Ramoleya. Never money point in Nebiko. I think my child broke. My fans, they always give me when I'm broke. Medication, I just took medication today and the thing just they pay me. And then they make people should send me money. It's not easy to be an orphan, no. Orphan where they glow. People where get mama no they glow, and I mean they glow. Where did I get mama no they glow? That's the have you seen the account number? Oh, let me check my money point.
I know they say
the payment quick transfer. Racing, if the live stream, she rests in the mail soon. Talk to me. Very dating man being. Do like this. No, see your armpits. 300K sent. She like for walking and then walk. Sexy mommy, how are you doing? That one don't know she. Other go shaba wo you ziba. Are you in church? I'm not in the church because send go do me go account. Which church? Now. People send me money, please, before I continue. Okay, now he now said, now on a live stream, now he was on his live stream and he was calling me. Now, around 5 p.m., the girl chatted said, good afternoon. You nearly landed me in problem.
I don't want to do my mouth.
See.
To me, because she need
I don't know where the girl now where, but it's fine. Rest is here. I cannot walk. I like it, man. So, I see the voice note you played. But thank God, the girl, but rest is what happened. The girl went. Now, rest is thank God, but it's fine. Fine. Thank you for this information. I'm very grateful. Well, boss, yeah, currently. But let up the girl several missed call. But send her this voice note to play.
I called that number. That number.
But phone me ring again. Now the girl continue. Go. I said that now. His current health condition is very bad. Rest is here. I know. Fine boy, you too fine, no. Zita send me money, I beg. No, they tell me that fine, but who give me fine? You don't see my face. Give me money, please. Bracing proceeded and said, okay, the girl said, he's getting difficult to use the toilet and he's having a severe abdominal pain, which will lead to surgery, and is good for him. Doctor said that he has undergo surgery he has to undergo surgery to avoid pile. If not, the next few days, he will suffer pile. Funny enough, he has refused to go to the hospital because he has no money. And it will definitely end his life if he doesn't visit a hospital. And he's still owing balance of 280k. Wait and see. Jesus. Okay, that is it for now. Wait and say thank you. Please don't come here, share. I won't. So, give me good morning, ma. So, tell me how this thing I read now is AI generated. Stephanie, how are you, ma'am? How is it AI generated? How?
Swank. Innocent, you're gonna go back, no cook. Now,
What's the name? I don't know if the money.
I'm a sending, if I go.
Ngwanzo, because I'm sending I am able. Even time you even though. Hey, yes, I know Grigo Hospital because I owe. I know Grigo Hospital because I'm owing people. I no go ya. Say I know Grigo because I'm owing.
Okay, this is that hello Korea. I'm gonna face to face. Come on, when you're on a safari.
Only post I'm about to get any case.
The Swank up here for now. You have spare for now. All about anonymous for now.
You go Dagaram.
Why are this one? Can you send the Panego and send the Anon? The Ahon can go give me come here. That's there. Talk me to poke in shop when you don't get evil. After black send the golden make okay good. It's the favor.
6.3 send if you want to get.
Joe, send an enemy go man, that's Zion. Una, Japa.
When you make me
Ngwando, Barazie. Copyright no bear, some call bear. Mimi Diego. Up you as how, give me Diego. You go bog Bogone.
Jamla one baby.
What? That doesn't send the enemy one. Don't send me money, please. Before we continue, Copyright and go down first. Let's continue.
And then I want to. Really fine request now.
Let's share no life because let's share your political when you get arrested.
Let me go and check if it's 2K you sent.
How much do you need?
Let me check. Good afternoon. Message Akaranku. God, I beg. I cannot end my life stream. I have right to hear what I want to hear. I have right. See, as old man just disgrace himself over small boy. I'm telling you, over small boy. Now, for me, I'm 2K. I can't from 2K. Hey. Thank you, my baby. You're still not dry water. But if others can still start sending. Oracle is popo. Oracle is she popo. Make my hand on. Send them racing no ask live stream call join no. I'm try gonna can't you get number that but don't tata. Came in your work. On your boss on my money guinea. Money making guinea. This name not too big for you now. And walk on money making machine. Swanky my love, send me money to my money points. Don't love me. Ego one you can't your guy advocate na page in my bimbo. All right, we see people. I'm because send me money.
Swanky stop because yeah, now stop good.
Meme again. Meme is not getting.
Eh? Who is it? Eh?
Swanky.
Ọfụ na nwoke na ọ dị anọkọtanwu. Nwa akwụkwọ kpatara anya gị.
Mama network data
Oh, Gigi.
Iwe fún mi, I
love you.
fún mi ẹ̀ báyìí, man like.
I love you, my baby. Send me money.
Let me try to form
Oh, God, Gigi.
data
Biko ma ajụkwa gị ndị a na-abịa n'ime abịa aga laịf nọchala di ọ ghara enye di ha ọtụ
Yeah, TikTok channel, that's very low.
data m gwụrụ agwụ biko gịnị mere mgbe gbatịrị data m gwụrụ agwụ eche m ahụrụ m onye ibe si ebe a
asatọghị a na-atụrụ m ego ngwa ntụwara na m ego nwanụ African content please.
Ka ahụ okwu na ịma ebe
God, is this the original one or the fake one?
no temo God
This is the original one or the fake one? Okay, this is the fake one.
no original
This is not the original one. No. The original one gave me money gone no that day. Money to my baby said they got him 20,000. Total they hungry me. So Bikon, can you continue? And when you send it, you can check it now. Oh, but you send it, me, in the group. So that is it. So very soon, we're not posting the girl's picture till we were done. Coffee may be case. Any online, Nara. Any on. Any non online. Nara, no, big baby. It's still go down wide by now. You send me money. Send me money. But shishi. Ogo nebu na tell am nebu na tell ya bia. I swear to God, that don't be buy the 10 year. Every 10 years after
TikTok I gotta buy a shower ere boy. Oh yeah, they put information on our hot soup.
Oh yeah, on the fake information.
Now they take off. Konebe ye wadu bere yo na komedi. Now they take on the baho. What blue mother don't want.
I'm telling you. Not to go report that man to Auntie Ogi. Until you're working on no here. Until you're no barrier. As I told you, until you're no barrier. Nearest in Jimmy Kuga. Until you're no barrier. Oh, you're no going on. Until you're barrier.
I bet your life will show Papa, but the baby sees. Yeah, well, yes, I got baby level.
Bebe two, okay, bebe two, bebe three.
Easier for him to show that letter I post to the Charona. Oh, but I give up.
Letter they would tell how much you could make you. All the surprise can't you want a letter?
Too clear on our way. You see him on our way.
Oh,
never prove wrong.
Like you know, you won't go now.
Okay, saga. You match people's energy. I feel like my match the energy in this saga. I feel like what's how much of them from new way. On my single energy at the saga. On your area. Aralem Magaralem Pagoya saga. Aralem di cool leg. Oya saga. Ede grape so mana au shine grape kunum. E wetendi grape rum.
Na ngasi asking no for that day. Hey, Chineke. Ebe o dey come down.
Ine ebe niile, akpata ozuora.
Ai mba, ebe o dey so, ma se lenke wo so nka. Hey. Number.
I no na call that day.
So 11 na. Akwai da kucha.
I no na call that day. Ya
kuta. So I get the other by the life. You understand? Obia cause the akiko.
So I can on the Yamana so I kucha na abale ya. I cook the na for you na cook 12.
I know a group call.
Muna Swanky kwuru na phone n'abalị. Ọ na-akụtu e.
I'm not that afternoon. I dey check m all about an afternoon. Man, I call m na phone. Onyi kpọọ m sị m na onwe ihe na-eme m batala TikTok, m bata TikTok kịta na onwe ihe a na-akụ gbasara Swanky bata kịta. Anyị shi ọkụ akpa m. Nsị ga-enye bụ ihe akwanụ. Lachapụ ọsọ, ife ọsọ ji lachapụ ọsọ gbalụ. Tikiti. Agba. Maka nzebụ n'ihe nwere isi ka ọma nwere mala.
Aka na-arahụ ụra fonu m ring ya na speed ka gị ma anya ụra sefọ gbachacha m n'anya. Hey!
Saga abụ ọkụ saga na-egbu m mara ịfụ saga.
Mkpụrụ obi m awụ igwere nne ma fọsere nke sọka m na-epụtara n'abalị.
Nne, otu a ka anyị si n'ọkwala akụ. Swanky, please be careful. And if I'm because you don't like 20K, you can't really be careful. Nne, thank you. How be quite careful of me? Who myself no small. I know small name. I be careful. I cried when I heard it. I heard it. But Swanky, I love. Thank you, my baby. Baby, say Jeremy again is me. Go stop crying. That kind of thing happen. They are lying.
That is my own because so say Shakoye that day.
I'm not asị. I put your money anya na asị ka ọ bụ. Ọma mme
Igbu onwe ya.
na Anambra n'ọka anụnwa.
Ọ diamond bụ afa gị. Ọ nwere ịdị close to Swanky, his number Swanky. So ịma na ị ga-akpọ ya tete. Ndị na-adịrọ close to Swanky na-asị na ịchọrọ bụrụ dịka ọ ga na-asị.
No. Diamond Stephen was Diamond.
Phone ya dị off. Bale phone ya nyụrụ anyụ. Phone ya dị aka. Nọ m ya dị eti.
Mimi si mbara bụrụ eziokwu shi. Hey, ogiri bụ ihe ka biko n'ụlọ.
Ịma mụ amara ihe abasị mana I was trying just to hear his voice. Ama m niile na-akọ na-asị ka ọ bụ. I was just trying by all means. Mgbe m fụrụ abatara life bụta na Jerry. Obi kuda m. Ịghọtago? Obi m ekuda. Oh, when I report,
immediately
someone is reporting this live.
Jerry no way disappointed. There is some elenka was Swanky a Korean. There is no so why in check a kucha phone on abali. Mo brumma do mali. That day was not funny.
I didn't get mad anyhow this time around.
So I didn't know the second part. My one I call herself. I bet a bedroom more, but why bedroom that time? Nearly now by that time, I'm going to a message. Now give me Swanky, give me Swanky, give me Swanky.
Jonah, it's all like my baby. You know, all this so disappointed. I came live that day. I was supposed to that I know now. Mja life was bo. Disappointment on his face.
I was forgetting life. All people that you. What you always say? What you always say? Nde use your brain. Nde use your brain.
Imagine I go get after that. After Black, you want to send me money? My account is covered. Can you see it now?
You want to see it?
Can you see the account?
You want to see it?
I just am like Cocharono. I need Cochanya like wo. Oberi me zubo money. After Black, can you see the number very well? Okay, you can see the number. Okay, thank you. Let me go and check my money point. I can sense when somebody is indirectly mocking me. You know, Ashi Swanky, she. Miru racing, she. Can you know she? Walk from your own end. Don't tell me she. That is mockery in disguise. And I can get it. Oh, women move face here. Can you make that go for Quanum? Give out of 500 I go to iPhone 14. That's all you could achieve. Get a term one starting when. And then they like 5,000. If video all my care just never do live.
Yes, one. What guys week?
Swanky.
Maybe it's like maybe I maybe.
ego dị ụka izuru send ya nne. Imekwe ka ọhụụ gị. Hey, thank you.
Enye ga-enye okwu, enye ga-enye okwu.
Oh, yeah, one.
Adịghị masa dị ndụ. God bless you, nne. Your own will not lose. Don't worry. Make I first launch my fashion brand. I give my fans I go give free clothes. Free clothes, plenty. Make I first launch. I think after like I've seen her. Oh, this woman come from a flyover. Abi?
Oh, Subilila.
Amaya. No, I've seen her in real life, I think. I shall see me in real life. Oh yeah. Go outside, buddy. You are the one. Oh, that one. Very fine woman. She's very fine.
Diamond.
She's very fine and quiet. And let me tell you, not be bragging.
Diamond, so quit
Not be bragging, no. All my people be fine. Not be sat on top. Until the people munanga. She's very pretty and quiet. I'm talking about pretty and quiet. Not be mbamba. Very quiet woman. Because I'm she on one who go instant. Don't care dear Kuzulu. I know. With my full chest. I know. Okay, dear. Because I'm a mia. One diga. Ide go dear cock. I honor like it, honor like at least Onya and on Nadine. My followers na Gadin or Bedi. That is different between me and them. Manny Kenneth would divorce in that rock on that rock.
Also, if you never do car.
Thank you very much. God bless you, hey, God, Gigi. On the way, I did have a new. I want to hear a new. You make a move that I did have a new. My quote to one I got 2,000.
Yeah,
Swanky got a sour half way rape when you warn you. Now I have phone me. Adam saw him live.
Yes, keep on here, keep on.
What can I tell you? Don't tell me, Tagalog.
We are not a man, Tagalog. We are not a man. I have done case of cases. UK people. UK. I'm going to UK. Who are you? Don't talk to me. Don't you know me?
Jesus! Everybody, thank you. Hey! Oh, no, Chafu. You never mess with me. Don't mess with me. I shall king. Yes! No, my hand, wow. We met a cricket before. We met a
but you only swanky, yes, in no quarter, swanky, I shall.
Happiest. Swanky, I got a show. You're like my piece, a woman. You just put happy as a chance, Swanky, I got a show.
In the course, I shall acquire him.
My baby, how are you? I swear. But you know one thing, let me tell you another thing you should know in life. I don't know. This is just me. I'm always favored. Even at the lowest point of my life. So God will send somebody from nowhere to assist me. Even as they were immediately be the air when one of the staff on my back said, even before my friend could get to me to show me the video, because I was not with phone, to show me the video in hospital. This phone, like one of the staff, one of the nurse, she knows she cannot do video with it because it's against their policy. She's one of my friends. Not say, Swanky, idiot on an air, Quaggy. Immediately, I got bailed. My friend got to location. Boom! I was at home. Because this location doesn't take time. Oh, just normal vacation and do it. Mbatazie, be alive. One can lay 18 for back. On your case, you know, 200,000. Off from the 3 million one. One can only charity organization. But the person that gave him the information is very stupid. Martin, I told on a B division police since Friday. Come on,
Then what they lose? Then what they lose? Then what they lose? What they lose? Ọ chọrọ amụ gara ya, ọ chọrọ amụ gbara agba gara ya, wee bụrụ amụ ndị azụ, ndị na-ele azụ ya ya lee.
No.
Ọ ihe ọ na-achọ.
She went to phone number the girl.
Yeah, no.
That phone number the girl. You know the information on the live stream. Or with the iPhone here with there. Can't call the girl with phone here. Or the ring in a WhatsApp. What are you not telling me? What are you not telling me? If I still know AIG. Narrated. No, any video clip ever you like Alaga. Yeah, you know too much. Oh, my, it's like almost too much. You know too much, Abby. You know too much. But thank God, I want to say this, you know, God, you can me and joy of God. Joy of God. Now, people that came through at that immediate point, then people that checked up on me and sent their support to me. If for somebody of Diamond, Onyi Best, hey, thank you, Monka. Fighter and Warrior, Onyi Best, Jerry, Ijele, Mrs. Oko. People were many. People, Chooks, Rattle Side Chick, people I cannot remember. Asan Wahao, a lot. In the Metatarozi. They are warriors and fighter. As Big Bella.
Christ Jesus.
They were everywhere. I was everywhere. I was like, people were like, handleback from my own side of the story because they were fighting for me. Manaria stood for me, even though she's not my friend. She doesn't like another. Manaria stood for me and stayed very well. How worries me on a moment here. They spoke very good. Thank you all, Lord. Do you? You are loved, Swan Kitty. If I'm loved, do they go to the there? I need money. Don't come and tell me that one. Thank you. Let's move on. Now.
You could see more on down.
Jesus, I'm dramatic. Honestly speaking, I'm dramatic. Okay, but that's the racing at people younger. Because we will be live by 5. I'm not married though. I'm doing a show because I'm going to send them a show wine. You know, send them me 10,000, 20 can go.
On other boom, account. So they have an account for that.
Mimi, Chuku goes there again, them, or you will not lack.
You are
in point of your need. God will come through.
This my students that acknowledge you. Look at that.
I'll go. But go down.
So to say I got bidayazo. I got bidayazo. How would they call my
possible. It's not possible now.
At my space they call
I can't do that.
Gifting is suspended on my life stream because when I go gift us anywhere account. Me, I'll still say it again. God bless you. God bless you. I got a papa saga. Because me, I send you go last card. You 3,000 lakh. Count. To make sure I'm fine, I'm telling you. After me, she Jerry, thank you. But Jerry, she got your ring and I laughed him. And when me share, thank you. Jerry, she got your ring. Let me anyhow.
I'm going to get a Jerry. Where did we get you?
Let me anyhow. Jerry, don't let me anyhow. Oh, you jail job for me also.
I don't know it's your phone.
Lappy my canoe. She will make her home out of New York or Yakabera. Oh, yeah, can you not tell her home, Jerry? You give it a video home. And that them show what can you give it a video home.
Jenny, the funny, eh? Okay, you are going to see that block up.
I think a woman, I'm going to go home. I'm going Jerry. Jerry. Oh, you can't go down to that car here.
You are going to see that block up, eh?
And then I was down to that car here.
Yeah, Emma, was treatment. Jerry will not give me jump injection. Come out, in the land. In the land where
miracle to Feroke. Under to Diamond. And let me quit his gone. Diamond on do Jerry was after my life. Only best whole chapter. his former organ. Legit queen. Send you go do make go before you be actually na agba. You know, thank you, nne. Ipu ga manza. After Black, God bless you, nne. Oh, ebi si wete ga anye mmadi kuruma. Oh, look you, una mane need the me go now. And funny enough, this my stuff, my fan pulled through for me. I'm telling you, I have a very fan base that love me genuinely and no capping. I'm not capping, no. I'm not capping, no be chere kambia. That effortlessly likes me. I'm wondering can I support to give our saga. Sarah and Katie, how are you? Later also big baby, are you back? Because you never one because message a couple on WhatsApp. Because she be watching na page, ma because we need to go to Katia also.
Help them because help my life.
Apa that's what they send you here. Why no obiam on to let share. They keep care where 1 5 boys.
Take a bottom God, cause like take a ball God.
I was sending here.
So you mean address go that just more. Just imagine.
On your address again. So I your marks na bomb. After Black, God bless you name oh. Tiga mamu de ignore in easy send the me go no. Come school with people na na equal.
Want to see us. Ma ko ju kwale so gi well.
Na fire to give.
After Black, oh talk with na ba hankete. Beauty she my love. You well love us send there me go money point. I don't matter the beauty is fine.
So send
It's be like 20 or 50.
20.
She's very pretty. I'm making it.
You can wait up abacha.
Abacha go on.
Hey, go bring it send you papa. Go come.
It's 200 can I mean 200. No when if I didn't want to
go kalela abacha.
Ekwesu miaga ọnụ. Ekwesu ya gwọgọ ọnụ miaga ọnụ.
Abacha mmiri ka abacha mkpọ.
Abacha agwọ. Kiki abacha mmiri.
Akwara ha agba mmiri. I swear to God, no be lie o.
Bari wara owe gị na akpari owe gị.
Why you doing when you moke? All too much of abacha na ataki dị agba mmiri.
Mimi akiba ko gura me.
Iga ni wo pafe.
Mimi.
Afe na.
Mimi. Nya na ko eziokwu. Mimi ne kunya na ko eziokwu. Kenye ko gara akọ.
Mimi
So there you go your weapon. Big baby because send go dey go na 1 point man. Thank you.
Swipe.
Ma.
Respect you.
But Mimi ana ha agba no I should give you code. But Mimi ala no ala ha no kwa mbiko. Makwa na ha agba mmiri.
Yeah, I'm quite sure to get you as Wiki. You want to do, I like when you get that.
My brand, I'm trying to cut my sticker. We are restocking and we are starting off. I'm back to my feet. Let's do business. Same baby, well.
Yes.
I need to. My grandmother's birthday is this December, and I promised her 1 cow, and I'll buy it.
December again. I'm not coming anymore. December again.
She's 90 years old, and she's still wrong.
Wow.
She's still
December
wrong.
again is 20.
Hi.
She's 90 and she's still wrong. Trouble war.
You did it, man. You did it, man.
Come on, tent now. I'm not coming and birthday once. Come on, tent. I'm not coming and make a birthday on.
That right. Okay, with 31.
I got chetok hole lala. Got to stand up hole.
They will like go do my jam.
Yeah, Pagio.
Why let me still? I for do give away, but me myself still need money. Big baby, send me money. I do the magic. But I'm keep up on saga before each. Then I avoid. When I catch it, I catch him. Go. Big baby, this small. Let them look one hand out.
Okay, take it.
Ndi. Like I will send you something later. Ah, shit. Oh, no, shit. It's only who are you? I'm sure who are you? I'm sure who are you? Man, if I say I'm for man, it's just talk my very soon before cheat.
What do you want to know? So you go and make it like I got you.
Okay, I'm gonna share life. How will she make your life? Canfu? Yes. Now comment section. Yes, 10. If I can make share life, may no. May no 20. Let's start.
We got ball. That people guys I'm a diamond Johnny bad. Oh, you not see no. I'm a more diamond. Diamond, I'm a monk. Diamond on your fire, come a monk, diamond.
Diamond, Uji. Since you said you'll be back by since you said you will be back. Anyway, live stream Tata. Play will be available. Will be on our page tomorrow tonight. Let's have him. So we're having a big guest on my live stream tonight.
Clock it. For one.
Are you serious? Oh, clock it. I'll be happy to have him.
Tyrone, I'm going to be your gaba.
Yeah,
I will still say it again. God bless you.
God bless you. It's bon wine. Why am I marrying me?
God bless me.
You can bless
God bless me.
I'm going to mark what tomorrow. I'm up with you. Mark go to Chiku Kai.
What for this?
Mark Wonyoshi.
God bless you. Huh? It's not baggy. Not been at baggy. Thanks to go to go half and down or half diamond or bob.
What is send? Send the Kuala
I will invite you to my mother. Okay, to your mother's birthday. Just invite me on time. I will come.
What can I be with the child? And I go, you can go.
Very soon now.
Don't worry, maybe. I won't get don't worry. Has swanky gave you for. I ain't getting with that. I'm
sure this person is Zoshi. This diamond is Zoshi. Hello. Oh yes. This is you want to go and buy something. And I've been almost 3 hours at home. You were nowhere to be found. You are just doing work. Eh? He just came back. Where did he went to? Where? Yes. Do not speak to me when you are back. Do not ever. Thank you.
Go to the new one. Go see the yes.
Hey! Make way for who you're the
I of God.
I am God.
Power. The only one that single-handedly saw me through. Why you Nigeria account? I don't know the fake account.
Yes, you know the privatized account. Privatized the account.
I know the fake account. Also doing what? No so cheap.
Right?
Back on the porch.
How? Oh,
diamond. When I see a guy,
I'm waiting my this period. Why didn't you take a time?
Mukwejiba. Their life can't feel real.
And why?
Hi, Mom, I'm here. I'm afraid.
I've been a common sense. I can't for
Nigeria, no, I can't.
Mama. And you done is seeing you for the FYP. He's gone. You don't know him?
No.
Yeah.
Hey, Biakwa. God of God.
Yeah, me come up with na form of now.
Why food vendor?
Ejimozoma were bia. Ejimozoma were bia. Arago kwa swank you.
Ọ mịrị na-akpọ gị.
I be put ya on the gara so one you na your phone ya. Hey, I'm gara gi. I'm like a lord.
Speak to me, daddy. Speak to me, daddy. Speak to me. It's not your man.
God, build together this one. Build together this one.
Oh, go to where what to.
Yeah, go to open stack now.
I'm going to where.
I don't tire for food.
I don't go to where. I don't know how you said it.
Onye one thing no na achọ ya onya yesterday. Gị na onye ahụ ekwuzi.
Oh my baby, oh my baby. He was here today. He said after meeting, now he will give me 100,000.
Hi. We can you see me ya ma give away.
Yes, you trust Rom. Trust me now to do giveaway. I'm always doing giveaway. I will. To do giveaway. Okay, that's the thing I go for. And probably, but you smoked that place you went to.
Yes.
What for?
Ọ smoke na gị ya.
What for? You and who is laughing? What for? How come I laugh with you? I'm not laughing with you.
Why can't I see the potential?
Oh, we went. You went deep.
Useless.
Yeah, on our life, Peter. Me on our life. Me.
No, sir, I sent you a message on WhatsApp.
Take your message elsewhere, please.
I'm not alive. I'm not alive, bro.
Okay, camera. Camera, can you call it now? Can you put your God, Perea? Your love is online. Big baby Sean online. Me on online. Ah, shit.
When clip, come with me life for me before that time. I'm not alive. I won't come with before that day. I'm not alive. Take and take it. I'm not alive. I'm not alive. I'm getting what in it. I'm not alive.
Na me makachi racing da agba gị saga. Kwai. But that like hey na kowa ana je bakada later that later so I keep post yeah that I say conclusion actually you know
you are really with your actual sense, right?
Okwete mo say conclusion of you that came out actually you know go blue bad. I
I was there 20%. I was coming up and I stopped.
Don't grade. To do what in don't grade exactly? What are you doing in don't grade?
No, sir.
You are signing for some people. You signing for people.
I have people that
You have people you are signing for, right? How did I do? How did I do?
Yeah, maybe because here, Baba, for the wine to get all
I'm on board the phone. Not one out there. Not one out there.
Frankie, show off your phone. This is my phone. Let me help you and show you people again. This is my phone. Where's the number? Show us your engagement, appointment letter with Ndi. I shared your working with.
me old video me abonya if you go to where
Ah, so one old video racing from the clip of this mirror. This is my phone, right? You're obsessed with me. His life now. Okay, his life. Masinachi. Ala one man for Biko. Let's know how to launch my attack. Obogamafa. Okay, me no Obogamafa.
And I got a blue ya. Of course, now I want a blue ya. I can a blue ya. Only blue in the
money. Yeah, who on the baru reach a bully? A bully. All want the infected. Key bully. He's left now. Okay. What is this saying exactly?
Yes.
No, what time me? I want to hear you.
Don't worry, I've got okay. My about the hack on one. I'll have to go me.
Thank you.
Okay, I'm happy there. Okay, can I make you feel life, Abby?
Kuwe yours, Apple wrestling. Kuwa Latin.
Ashimba. Liar!
Thank you,
Yeah, you lie.
First.
You lie. Alafara. Dragon for dragon. Oh, no. Sure, God, I'm a Kabiko. Okay, anyways, I don't have anything to actually banter with him. After all, when I get Antioch, a warrior neighbor. Everybody knows him as a loser. So I wouldn't give him that very relevant culture. Swanky, you are cheap. I am cheap and they still rape me. Not the person where all I'm the cheap. That person for no rape me now. I was in me, each it out to for free. I forgot to talk give her now. See cheap.
Swanky, Zweke.
What can I have to share? I cause another thing. Joanne, his life. Use that your life. He is. Send them a good money points. Thank you.
How about the saga? Not just now, call another person.
Okay, because his life now, is he calling me? On a command.
Not just no play Yana Gentle.
I just know big host na Jelena. Man.
Let's unleash. He's insulting Ijele, not you. Ijele is my baby. I am fighting for Ijele too. I am a great person.
It must see today. A few days ago, be second. Now,
Joyces for Ijele, Mbadeve.
Thank you of God, thank you.
Joy of God, thank you.
See voice like Lori Buluku. Oh God, thank you. On we don't work it at Jemmy Konisha, don't like it. You do clear. Where in a more
Sexy boy.
Sexy boy. Thank you, ma.
Joy of God, thank you, ma.
Joy of God, and when in Roku. When you open.
I don't in a good here.
Jerry, I'm telling you, show to the moon here.
Or did it be young?
Now, when I Jerry, I 5 million back. I found the champagne game surprise. That teach them what I mean.
Son?
Eh?
And no one all the fault, no one doesn't
Ma, what they go find your life like this? Not a hacker. It has been long. I think maybe look at your life with them. Just ignore him until.
I forgot.
Content. I have the engagement, right? My babe likes me like that. I don't like.
I can't forget.
I can't love each of them. I don't like you any longer. Get out of my sight, please. I'm tired of Oka. As I video for I can't wait to make you coffee. I tell you, man. But the guy for back like streets now with them.
Okay, one of my friends in the school now can play. Cause touching. Can you location no swanky? Koga. Ko oga giche the buga gina go. Eba desire roll buga giba igaga zueke. Na dey buga giba. Acho free hand.
Joy of God. Somebody is saying thank you to you, but it's like you did not hear it.
Who be that? By your friend with black.
That one said it's fine.
Uncle Joji.
Say it again.
Joy of God, thank you, ma.
Which kind of voice from them?
Put up my voice on to you.
Frankly, I don't book one can.
And then what the child innocent? Ile and you hold the child innocent.
No, as they laugh, yes. Thank you, because that's come back and racing me a video. Our be utua. Our be utua.
Because I didn't swipe you there, but what can you
Say of God, me me. This is when they walk out who I do quite out. Utua.
Quite operation. Just what this state.
From his voice, yes, now and informer. From his voice, utua. Our be
one on for one blogger post. If ever not joke, it's rest in my cake. No, you are Catholic. Now, fire, but you are a Catholic, you are a Roman Catholic.
Hey, that's why if you are this is what they eh. I mean, yes, yesterday, self tried to see all of them come back to TikTok. Oh, man, I'm a miss.
And you get some of your friends.
I don't tire for your matter.
And you're quite a miss a lot these days. So I can go to Chafuga because Marco Mary. Marco na chega abacha mo ya na apo what na chega abacha
Papa chero don mo bra ki jala lo la so
mo Marco di me
mo ke ko pa Marco na yo to send them na WhatsApp akuma mu e ba di na ina ya do take bo ha do na to WhatsApp mo akuna ntocha akuna gari ka akuna ntocha to bo wo
abu go mo bo aka
ami table But you were shaking it before you opened it. You did not shake it. How then?
Twanky.
Yeah, I'm going to take care.
If it fell in the kitchen and you picked it,
Back up and let there. Listen there.
I'm not doing it again. Bring your phone, let me delete my number. Yes.
Oh no.
I'm not doing it. Bring your phone, let me delete it. It's like, don't keep my pastor go online. When they phone, I can't delete your number.
Look, Nina, because my mother be na like, hey, take it. Nah, because it's not gonna have ya. Nah, because my mother be na like.
That they said I'm maltreating you. Am I maltreating
like
you?
the mother na bug his signature na bug.
Am I maltreating you?
What is it? What is maltreating?
They said I'm maltreating. Maybe they go. Am I maltreating you? Tell them that I'm not maltreating you.
No, it's not maltreating me now.
That you don't look like I can maltreat you.
That's why you go up comment section. No deba na channel.
Yes.
Hello, medical. Signature one. Swanky mama. Oh, sick baby. My baby.
Tell me on the recording for her.
Okay. Mommy, good morning. Good afternoon.
Ma, that's not. Scissors Swanky na one side. Kada boy na tojo me were he why you do kwezo.
Do kwezo.
I don't go about the door.
My age is there. And so that because you follow Tamaga, my Julia, Ga relief market. After what came it and what keep a dimper versus dimper. How can all pop? Kind of online. She will see her home. You go beat or you no go beat them. You go beat Trace Nabi.
I will come to Scissors so you can to Jack upon Iba Eme.
Then I saw you. Jerry, I got a room. What's the mother? A butcher's value chog.
Jesus,
no wonder. No wonder. Jerry, I mean, she go line. That time, every day, the first time before you did a post where one boy post where the first time has to roku. I post more than zero to the Jerry Shokoro. But Jerry. Nobody knows Jerry. So that's why I did not post the video. And I did not post the video because I'm a kid, it's never close loop in Jerry. You check your phone, mash your face.
Only come on a video that period.
I come man. I video one cable na ebucha azu. Nke na ngwa picture, nke na video. The first video ya acha posturu. Ebe o rega azu. Mba ka chere gwa m na ọta ko sha alụ ọgụ with nwa. No every day ka o ji alụ.
Shy, very bad of him.
Chineke mere Jerry ebere sef.
Ịhụkwa mgbe izizi ihu chere onwe ike ikwu okwu. Ọ naghị ekwu okwu, ọ naghị amụ amụ. So, the day m bịara na nke ndị friends ya na ebe a mimi ịmanya asị ya. So Jerry, you can talk, you can laugh. I'm telling you, imagine mgbe m bịaziri ụmụ ụka Nigeria na-agbụchi na m because eji m ya afụcha na so you can talk. No, you don't used to talk before. Osim now when you have the I'm telling you, this boy is just in fiakwa. Come on, Rabbi Tawaki. Come on, no, to the on not talking by. Nemusha is a bella bamboo. Always show Aki Kunu Haruna, Tower Gadina, no, or I just put any Atawa, Manabun 1 minute to one. Otaku she lot and cabo. That one peace of mind. Sharing me already. Jerry, can't tell what if you got Chairu. Mama, I'm gonna make a fake you. Mama, give me a hit if you got you.
Oche, ihe anụ na-eme opostu ihe niile gbasara ha na-abụ o nwere ihe niile okwu mere.
Na-akọ eri ije jibekwa
ihe niile ọ dị mma.
Ka ha fi ikwu ya maka jail gosh m laugh here. So I will just let it be.
Mba, happy.
I wish you on all the power.
Please, you should help me and terrorists in that. I wouldn't know any region for you just Badata.
But I tell
Anambra. I'm a Nepeka. Diamond, all on your Anambra.
I teach never was in store. Let's go. Only test is in 1,000. Saga need a one by the 7. After
the day of God na my boss. I will the day of God na my boss. I will go come.
Day of God no they make noise. I'm telling you, but she full ground.
Yes, now.
You know noise making. You know if you stand for where she did. And she not follow you compete. And you want time competition. I'm not having customer order, sharing yourself, whatever. Competition, my food. You are happily okay, but yes, you cannot stay one place. Your leg is everywhere. What are you cooking? Noodles. You're shaking your head. I sing that day. Hey, I'm telling you. What if you can't delete your number? Get back me no wrong. Get out of so, because me, what I'm picking up, I can't chat. Me, 3,000 sender. Me, show me go do here is sender. I'm this me go. Are you mad? I'm a cabiko. I'm eager to reach Charlotte. I really keep the corner on it. I'm a doing him. Me, I go do kiss sender. Why threaten? Why threaten threat about what you're that for?
I enjoy university.
What are you spoke?
Why threaten?
Oh, go here, racing could so can I be a call. I crave your indulgence. Jesus. For somebody that is indulged already, listening to the jargon you are constructing. Anna. Deborah, my baby, how are you? Why threatening him? Okay. Who am I threatening? Anna, my baby, Annie. Who am I threatening? The only thing that we keep rating in your local machine air, Emery, it's from me, I got you posted this boy and said he's an Aguro person. Oh, and that's one Aguro person. And I'm still with him here, with my full chest. Yes, I will never deny him.
Agboro will go beat up.
Even a day. And that Agboro will make sure he beats you up. What about you? I'm not fine, Deborah. If you send me money now, I'll be fine. Thank you. Because everybody in the joy of God, thank her. Who for Baba Zuga Lozo? They wouldn't want to about ship place because I'm going to hold to hold you this period. Okay, I was standing on the tray. Me will. I could be out of war. Did you see the egg?
Afternoon, everybody.
Afternoon, Ify, baby. Did you see the egg?
Why are you threatening him? He's not going anywhere.
You are going somewhere now. You go somewhere. Go do it.
No.
I'll do. That's the person that Rest said that he beats me up. Oh, not be small talk. That I promise, like I will plan dumping him after he gives me 5 million. And in our call, your story is not even proven. In our call, my love, I didn't tell you. We are restocking my business.
Okay.
So we went to get stickers so that I can actually brand my product.
Okay,
So this is also can kill you one. It will be the simple. Let me tell you how. Do you know how I'm going to kill you? They will detect something in your body. Case of autopsy is being conducted. Oh, after make it go from there you'll be meeting your ancestors. Very simple way to kill you. So don't feel as if killing you is difficult for me.
Why if you want them more? Why would you go be a
If you want them, no one will do it. I borrow informal activity. I division. You know, I go buy you. I will not say the support on. I go buy you. Avoid me. You do not push it, avoid me. Baby, rest in baby, no baby. Yeah, higher side. Yeah. If I mean they carry now, joy of God for don't run. Oh my! I came on the live stream and I said,
Maybe I should
oh, you're not called the line. I'm not going at the line. I'm blocking our stuff. And he has gone called.
I used to go water.
Oh, my God, now.
Ha, oh, one now, my afternoon.
Yeah, oh, now water.
Oh, my, you mood.
Wow. Okay, I'm gonna start you, boo. Oh, actually, no, I want so I catch you on your roomba.
Yeah, maybe I got one.
Oh, you must come here now.
Thank you very much. Can one name on you put you for the person? Oh, but Jesus. Thank you very much. It belongs, Sha. We see Paragi hypochest. Thank you. Meme,
if you like, this is fine, no. This is fine.
Some of you know much, I get up and do much to the power. Can one is you?
Meme,
oh, do
business. Yes. I could eat for a can't see much. Yeah, on you much now.
Me, mute to go.
No.
It's the picture.
joy of God, what your phone?
She think of the money buying not Dubai safe.
What you forget here?
Oburo ya punu no oburo nwanne gị n'afọ na mana ọ ya punu. Mana onye
ifugi ya. Ọ ya bụ ndị ama na-asa.
Ama mu ajọ ya mana mma na onye muchu. Ema ama na-asa dị unu si ife ọma. Ọ dị ka na-eshi agụ ga-eso. Ọ dị ka na-eshi agụ ga-ego.
red-handed,
business and a baby.
Oh, one day.
No one me. The man I'm working so I can't
my ad is back and it's performing. The guy did it last night and I'm having 55 messages.
Yeah, if I'm gonna see do mutu down. And I
this morning.
Wow.
So we're back in business.
What's up? I mean advert. What's up?
Yeah.
I'm not gonna WhatsApp name advert. Because make a business. Because
I've responded to 30 messages early morning and I'm having 55 already on this one.
Are you
serious? This iPhone, in case I have 75. You know, it's two business, different ad. So, bitch, I'm going.
Because
my grandmother this year. And she's 90 years old. So me
Bella China now. Side the Christ Church the bed.
Wow.
Ibu
thank you,
okay, now I
can be wire not bag.
I got my I don't like in any more to them.
And me motor child come on the best one here. She make
the restaurant and that.
And then I know what I did and that. Achina, my dear, only one yourself. How may I bend to the mud? How may I bend to the mud?
One place I did 2 places.
Chinama de bendo the mother says. I want you and I no one at me. Since you want one year, I am bad.
A threat is no one now, so I that boy with his voice all the very
I didn't surprise. The massacre like it, I said the message. Yeah, we go to say they are this sticky boy that are guided. Yeah, I'm going to possess. But for that, they are powering about. Nisho Toto. I want
Mimi was saying, I'm telling you, again. About bamboo to go. I'm going to live stream. I'm not telling you, my live stream. Bamboo to go in my name. Oh, to do much share. Mimi, no more like EG. Oh, why your leg? I want to eat them. I'll cook. Why you want to see one discipline on you? I think each one of you got it to Lord of Cook. You know, to love one.
No, but no.
You move to
like I to have my own.
Every 2 minutes, professional.
Oh, yeah,
I can't wait to can't do more cable.
Trust me, I'm going to come. You come, I said you go do a picture, huh? Let me see if we can get to their side. So I'll be gifting them one of my dress because bench. You will see my design soon. People are crying, don't cry, racing. I'm far better.
No, they got like this. I
advertise that can thank you. My team was in my advertising.
At the same show. And what that color related blood of each other, blood of each other.
If I want to call a I can blow it.
Bam! I wait, boys. Also, I cannot take it off. I shouldn't earn not 5 million that boy. Ekurokuya. Come to you. Can I launch out? When are you cashing out my meat cable? Which one you're paying? You're supposed to cash out tomorrow, but today.
He's writing.
He's writing the check. So your cash out is when? Do pico. I need 70. Don't discuss. Don't discuss.
So I can only take you 1,000. Only take you 1,000.
I can do what?
Maybe only test your boy stacker.
If you start out, can we lose 5 million? Why to look before I don't, my dog, one
I can't stand that.
It was supposed to be today now, Abby. So what happened?
Only for
I don't budget my son and other movie.
So if you don't give a coin, I can be called. I got to
make I hide man again, not lie you. I should get one. Well, I know you say Ada is the one die for her life stream.
Hello.
Jerry, you follow for where my Jerry day because me give away 500,000 very soon. My baby tell cash out money. When is that? When will you go to my name, right? Going to the visible.
My neck here.
No, I don't like tattoo on the neck, on your hand.
My hand.
Yes. Better.
Now I come on my so all the reserve.
Yes. Me post tattoo like I written. Now, in yours, oh my yours one. Of five. Number one. Oh man, you joy of God.
Thank you, man. Joy of God. Thank you for coming and enjoy your report.
Me pardon.
I'm tired of it.
My baby, thank you. Joy of God, you cannot be tired of me. Joy of God, if you can't go to Kimba, oh, Joy of God, never call your phone and I didn't give it. Oh, my enemy. Even as she matter how I was faring, I am a content, nigga, sit down. You leave me to nowhere.
I would not know.
Thank you for your concern. I saw your text.
Okay, Baba.
On your lap, I saw my potential enemy to know how I'm faring. You go nowhere, ne?
Yeah, good. Thank
and
you.
funny enough, if I know how before any other person. So I know that's your guy, he's so calm. Bambu to woo. Yeah, pastor with you. Yeah, pastor, you put down one hand is ready with you. Move for me. The lady share.
What here? The kids are lying.
Diamond, the quick by the diamond. What be the video na seals when you get some more guys? The quite one.
Yeah, my
I will post my page, my new page. I changed to my page for my fashion brand. So we'll be posting there. Hoodie.
Okay.
Up and down. Customize and design. Not the hoodie that you got from our back. This is what I customized on my own. Let me show you something of what to expect. Yes.
Hey!
Allow it to cool. Everything cold.
Mimi, can you hear me?
I'm not going to meeting point. Meeting point, you're that be?
Yeah.
Okay. Ma come on and up up. You can no quit back on more of one.
No problem.
Like something like this.
What kind
Something like this is available for literally senator. Like this particular design kita now is available for me. Okay, I'm going to dry cleaner.
What kind of
Okay, no, this is Kids Daniel's wear, but what we recreated this wear. I'll be shooting with it soon. So this is how we do it. I'll get my design. I need an iPad set. I'll get my design, then redesign what I want, then mix my stylist or tailor. Like he brings it to reality. I'm showing you sample of what we have.
Okay.
They're available now. This is the class in my house. Then all the 4 different colors. All the available.
You're welcome.
Now. Do you understand? Now, I will show hoodie. I don't know how to do hoodie. Over this person, Parigam, over philosopher, at least, yeah. Oh, my Parigam, like every single here. Neck, any budget.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, Jacka, I swear to God, I want you.
So he can have much on tonight. Keep me pushing my name. No, he was him or come on that land.
This here, Ugo, Queen, Ugo, never followed me. Hey, after Lemo, what's the next one? And Bam, follow Shimo. Baby, kill a bully. Baby, give bully gum. And I'm not going to put the baby back and the jahan like here. Ham. But you see, who gave another support to resting that day of Parigawa Crema. Oh, Guyana page here. I was watching her from the live stream. She was not in support of it, I think.
Your mother, my child,
that support the that day itself for
Mama,
a lot of people, only best support to ya.
Yes, exactly.
Only best support to really I got it.
Let me follow her.
Respect. Like what that is. It's supposed to so the guy I know ever.
That place you are. It could have stayed here. If you want to be fine on your own. They bring you about one book. You kill. People are wishing.
So
Nemo, he's busy bashing me and I'm busy setting my business goals. And funny enough, you know the good news racing, you order my clothes from my website. You shock you, Abby? No, Zuzu, I have plan. I'm not like you. Before no, are you sure you can afford the clothes? It's not the regular one. That white one alone take is 150. So how if he buy the clothes came? Even who the set is 120 up and down. Family set that has shop snake and this thing inside. So
Why is it that any day that is not going to be massive?
you know he's obsessed with me. I better want up your 39 years. I hold this swanky one and I'm doing better. What do you mean? Even the stylist that's creating this out, to be like, how do you think all this thing? I was like, as an shower, my brain is always active. But waiting, as okay, there is no single business. I have multiple skills. I'm talking about multiple skills. I do like, I will bet race in their life and their life. I can bake cake, I'll bake and decorate on a live stream without going off. I will do beaded bag on a live stream without going off. Can you mount the car? Oh, I can't tell the car can try man. You want small chop, I will do. You want food when I'm done cooking.
No, because I'm not challenging.
Yeah, on a live stream. Show us what you have. I will show you what I have. Yeah, whatever paper and pen, whatever we say on this live stream, we'll pen it down. Can I the correct? I use the auto correct it on WhatsApp. Do you think you'll be typing properly or correctly? They play.
You woke up so Ghana this
Swanky, the question na go activist. The question na a whole activist. It was wicked. A whole activist. The question.
If I'm one name, I'm not saying gosh, this boy crams English that doesn't know the meaning. Imagine how I crave your indulgence.
I was saying so like, oh my God.
Somebody that is indulgent with what you're saying already. Can they crave?
Oh God, it's crazy.
Using the word crave is very wrong.
I'm telling you, in that context of a particular situation,
Exactly.
can they use
In that particular context, crave is not, can never.
which one? Crave? Somebody is listening to you already. How? And I'm like, what is this one saying? If I'm not even correcting him, I feel like he's talking. One day when I DM, some KG called me Ijele, made it chill evidence. I have a personal vendetta with Ijele since last year. Seem okay. Which in my shop, I like, with Ijele. From where to where, baby?
Oh yeah.
Can't with personal vendetta, do Ijele money. I like Ijele money. You know what is personal vendetta become? One day, man, out here, he will break it down. Like he's going to elucidate to the tiniest of it all. I'm telling you. I'm going to get each of the things is not looking for the wire. If you're not now with an empty vessel, a barrel, they're always making the loudest noise. Like, who are these people that is praising you? Since Swanky is my child, are you mad? Guys, you must have anybody say he's intelligent.
Mimi, when course one day I have to bring out my dictionary and take up for the
You can't look right. Ndibo, he can't speak. I always drop out.
Just there like this. I'll go to my dictionary.
Just to be sure, right?
Yes,
Abi?
no.
Okay.
Yes, no.
Imagine.
It's not one of the corner.
Do you know the day I knew that he doesn't know he doesn't comprehend very well. The day Nasha, did you work under probation or didn't you? I think getting probation. What is probation? That he worked. You know what is probation now? I said I don't like probation. I went to that it's not no but online.
Prayer ministry. We are rebuking every spirit of prison in our everyday life.
Make sure that
We go don't threaten him again.
Grace said that you beat me up. Do you want me? They sent me an email and also sent me a message on WhatsApp to see how pay. Honestly, that the organization was supposed to bring out that information. They were supposed to bring that because you're tarnishing their image already. Okay, the same organization came to that now. They were blacklisted, no doshi. But all the same organization that you claim that you are working with currently, that day that you even went and brought your previous, but all the same people came back to have blacklisted. So when did you now started working with them? Because you claim that you were still working with them currently before I wrote an email to them. You see how you shoot yourself on your leg? Nah, oh now man, I've been with him. I know how he behaves. In my hand, I'm not to over Tibo Boko, over seaman, weighing one said, obvious. This is not fabricated story. I'm telling you, real. If I'm lying, ask Jerry. He will come live. See when we teach about your Then, if you don't know him, you feel like he's an activist. He's Yoku. The boy can the boy Diego. The boy is like, you get money. Do me 20K to my money points. My equal they swell up instead of a tata. The boy saw you in the comment section that the people fought effortless like. I went in the room. Comment section was not. And let me tell you, ever since I'm having issues with
only the mature enough.
I'm telling
you. If you are truthful to yourself, you will know the truth.
Even Manaria told him that Odaraya, they meet you Abi, they will meet you because he must support. Imagine, even though that story, I didn't okay, let's assume the story is true, serious, and you brought it online. I swear to God, if I start pressing charges, I'm telling you, I will win you hands down. Without cheating. If I press charges, I will win you. And if they born you well, come and bail this girl from B division. I'm all there.
Oh,
Look
wait,
at it,
okay,
okay.
no, I bring vision.
The girl in the message you post online.
Hey, God.
When
It's just
everyone
I'm
is ready, the network will be very, very terrible. Auntie, what is happening, my love?
Okay,
Joy of
my
God,
baby.
good afternoon. Me, what's up?
Why they work in
Good
China?
afternoon.
That now the girl could take work before. And now how many million because now I can rock.
My network is very terrible. Since how many days
Any
now?
video now. If not, when he bought Jazwaga. Able to reach Jazwaga.
Mapu need your time. Also, online.
I want to see whether they walk on my total.
Jerry, welcome. Kekwana.
Jerry le shi ihe nungara.
Jerry, ime na Jerry anya adịghị mma. Ọ bịara abịa na dekwa ihe na-agwa ya ọ na-esi ihe nungara.
Agwa ndongo Jerry le shi te miracle agwa mma nnukwu ya n'ọhụ. A very nonsense man being.
Thank you.
Nwa nwere mere awa begbuo onwe.
Ya ndị kara amara ole dị ha wee ezigbo amara abekwe.
Mba ụmụ nke
I want to go for facials.
Ọrụ nke mmiri ọkụ. Ọrụ nke mmiri ọkụ a support m nke mmiri ọkụ maka ụdịka ahụ mmiri ọkụ abụ.
Mimi anọ m shi ndị ụmụ uche ahụ ezigbo mere kwena kan Ifeoma were ọnụ mepe ọnụ kwuo. Pọpa mụ na
ndị achịna be ha emekweni gịnị? Ndị achịna be ha dị mma.
Sọ onye je n'ụwa onye achịna. Ọ bịandere m ihe otu na ikwu m dọtara.
Achịna. Okay, Ifeoma na school m onye kụziere m Igbo. Akimeze Modo. Ama m ega.
Because that after.
Eze Modo nwere o buru ibu nwere nnukwu afọ. Ndị akụziri m Igbo. Hey! That man, Jesus.
I'm gonna touch now.
Hey, Jesus. Become power tap. Mommy Alex, welcome. Me not doing the same day before Okwa. Go and snap him and send. And funny enough, let me now shock him. The hospital self is even going against the high because pressure charges because they're releasing their name of the hospital. A very dated information.
Wait, okay. Elise the name of the name of the hospital. Ha.
Nurse.
Sometimes I need to they should calm down and raise themselves. They'll pay you for the charges, Kwan.
The girl or nurse call.
No, social media manager, like handler, that handles phone for the man. So definitely I was messaging the phone she was with, and then that was when she was moving those voice notes and everything.
Oh.
Without the person's consent.
Kita no lose
because I met it. Somebody my apology video post to or have what damages. And nobody will work with her again. I'm telling you, there's no reputable company that will work with her.
Hey,
Makasaga. Or not really possible. How would they work with you? You that release vital information of persons that about our goal, you're not even linked to it. You're not linked to this person, and you're imagine those kid is linked.
I'm not Lagos, okay, but I'm East. Here, we name Ozora. Everybody will know about it.
Bam. Okay, go now. Labor release the information of the hospital. Oh, release it. On you put that in full. On your in full. Near the short form. On your in full. I got a me because even the man was so angry, very, very angry. Hey, how anyway delete the magic. God of choosing, God of Pastor Lazarus Moaka. Hey, choosing Queen. Mimi.
Come on down, Kichiki.
Gị na nwa
Mimi.
man got those message.
No, I forward the original account. You cannot delete it.
Okay.
Now, this is it. He's currently at IKC Medical Hospital, Oka, as we speak. You can read for yourself to see.
Listen, sharing this type of information.
So, why? He's always fighting with you. Yes, Ima, why is he always fighting with you? Because my glory is bigger than him.
It's always like Olike was a prayer point.
One prayer point. Oh, my airpost to remove. Let the age cheer Lord. Oh, people do ya. But you are claiming natural gacho. But you have validated my claim too.
Oh.
You just validated what you said.
Yeah, he cost it first.
No, it did not cost anything. See what happened. He wanted to come and shut me up. I was saying that now. Hey, you didn't know that I said I saw iPhone 6. Did you?
What's the iPhone 6? Is the iPhone X?
Hey, so from iPhone X to iPhone 16.
Okay, iPhone 17 coming. Go with iPhone 17.
Okay, iPhone 17 get outside and make you quite equal. Yeah, go Korea videos. You quit the same. Go on the thing. Who is him? I'm gonna put it. I need video saga. Much as the quake. I gave him respect. I avoided this boy for like 3 weeks. So before I need video. 3 weeks. Before I need video. Much okay. I be feeling like name my here. Which I can't call. I can't call you. Before you know, joy care about na real call. Go them appointment letter. Oh, where Jacka have there. But they go share a live stream that day like this. Chakam Muslim short where every waffle. That I googled the hell out of my phone that day. Actually, different emails and moments I wanted the name of the company and I wrote them. Immediately they gave me his engagement letter, said that he doesn't work with them. He doesn't. Someone posted one guy banded himself for the full day. He was shocked.
But you know, I'm
since I have
it's funny enough, what was the man is very intelligent.
That's me about school dropouts. Before you know, tell me what post. Musha, take this thing. Her prince is sending away. Take down this thing. You are disgracing yourself. You can even be sued for forgery. You doctored your result. Munga Wofteria result. Why result from? It doesn't come in black and white.
Yes, that's true.
You cannot be black and white without photocopy. Ajaga. Choice submit your work credentials or maybe all those BITs you add in your CVs. You add those ones, photocopy, but the original one comes in same color. And your passport should not be black and white. That's enough. I brought and showed him sample of what he did. And he didn't even doctor it properly. Because if you come out and told me that you lost your WAEC, oh no, maybe later. WAEC attestation comes in red pen. I read right up there, WAEC attestation, even though you need to for your WAEC result. If you were to WAEC attestation and it's not even WAEC attestation, why are you lying? That's the way you can work. If it's really your WAEC, let's see your wage number.
Yeah.
It's that simple as that. Yeah. Since you want to be transparent. Transparency as how? Kubana's kitchen, my baby, how are you? I'm fine, baby. Transparency as how? You that is hungry. But then 100,000, you have to do Kelewe, you have to say, but online. After that one, I have 200,000, you have to the leg. And you'll be saying shit, and you're not get shit. Coming from a hungry bastard. You dick sucking monster. I don't understand. Without mama. From there, you started hunting ass up and down. Go soon and I'll order your food. Trust me. I want a large book room. And if for one name, whenever tell them on Chashindo Ndorumba Diobere, Chashinda Nambara Perempe, they play. That I'm coming for him. Somebody that climbed boss, I started calling people poor thing. What are you not telling me? On my life, if you're here that day, let me know. That day, not calling about the poor thing and not Korea. You were literally insulting everybody. Then I'm about beggar. But look at you begging right now. You stylishly beg. I didn't give me point of that. Go and shower now. Go and shower. As how? This take was to put in English. Wait now, see you. Go and shower.
come down, please. I'm not going to come down, please. I'm not going to decide to minute. I can't shower, come out and after something.
Be going.
Yeah, Lawa. Get down, Lawa. No, Jure, now move. Only a poor film.
Look at him insulting Anambra people. Exactly. He said Anambra, we are all beggars. Coming from you.
Anambra's Omona.
According to Anambra, Kennedy.
That guy be Anambra half caste too.
Onye de?
Ndị Kabulonu.
Onye nyere Anambra. Ya onye owere ka ọ show onye owere. Ka ya wuo owere. You were actually at school. You didn't even drop out. You were expelled. And mind you, I didn't take him down. No. I left him on the bus to actually do whatever I want to do.
Boy.
Yeah, for sure. But me, I'm not tribalistic. Like, I'm not like what these tribalism stuff.
I know tribalistic, but for racism inside I tribalistic.
Because you went and some of Imo people are my followers too. Do you understand? But this boy lack brain. Somebody said, let me give you money to go and buy Amarula. They gave me 100,000 and I shared 80,000 to 90,000 to my followers. On where? But I can switch in 50,000 young Mali Whale. Game Mali Whale, man, you won't pay a beggar. No, for my baby, how are you? You're not a beggar, man. I'm a girl over 50,000. I'm a girl over 50,000, but you're not a beggar. He's a 3 million actor. By now, you will look shrinked.
You go now.
They go to Tagwell on your shit on them. I saw you what again.
You go now, Ballo fast transport. One of them.
I'm sure other child will buy it again, 30,000. Or 18 send dollar me invite them by new faces in the muddy. Back and buy one champion boss. Yes, want this one like to talk about just how you put on selling you warned you, even though you have mental problems. If you ever near me and speak, you won't like me. I should consent to for such a you that is drinking. Much like a lad in all the people vitamin C like up and acquire white wine.
And they like fine.
All vitamin C, on camel, on my own colleague over market chief member.
Prince, good afternoon. I quit seeing about Ebe 5.
I can still stream to 5.
Like you
I'll just go up and attend to my customer.
That's okay.
Because can you call him for 100,000 a page?
And I put me with a message guy reply.
Eh, 100,000. Send them me go. Send them get and beat too. You must use the low she Diego dig it off as she is. She still there. In your deal.
I can thank you, Pass. I teach you about my bolo walker.
Baratawa, why Barato, Magas again, no, what boys got to be.
I don't know my love, what I space I did buy all Kakanjadia. I don't
Ah, Jesus. Let me shock you the funny part of the story. Say this boy and the money I'm telling you. And the fact that I'm a child that cheers, and I'm not fabricating, I'm telling you facts.
Swanky goes when
What you said is telling me go can read too.
What's what the him, but you go do that for me.
Masina to send you go do me. Oh, Master took 20,000 Baba also.
Hey,
but this girl, all the pull picture, you and the Konya also. Yes, you do. Still the records, how are you?
But by kicking Gorado, in the
Gorado, like a wine man on where. If we're more looking for him, queen. And if we're looking for him.
Marco, can I go back or I want on a life?
I'll tell an avatar. I don't know if you put chance. 1 minute. I can walk it in a barrack.
Chapun, okay, Chapun, a tablet from about one. You make up a one.
Mimi dig us an idea again, any but a party more. You have one with the rabbi.
You may give away here to me.
And they make it a maybe you guys wait.
Thank you. Black Fisher. Fisher, good evening or good afternoon. So the way you go give your opinion, you one now.
Mako, I don't think it's simple. Yes, because na life I because any that you make you want to be a metal can be your
I need to come provision. Come on, Mako, your idea. Then provision. Provision, like 50K is okay. For me to get better provision. He can't Gabi. I think I know him. That man that plays Oja. Abi.
Unu me bunu jaga your tego.
Iro no man la bo gara so make for ha. Abachi and keto ha yonde go. O se chakọ try ye be me. Anwa do ha block la anya. Ha ti be ku wafta. Ha mo nwe ha. Ha la bu mo nwe ha be like team about ha mo nwe ha.
Adi onye mo be ha ya di serious na ko.
Na se abachi and keto ha konde cha pam. Wa se pam. Anwa ya block la anya. Pam, anwa to the lulu. I say I'm gonna move. I see about roto basuta.
Hey, Chideke. Hey.
I want my accommodation issue, I want problem. I got my phone them no. Because I want to take a guitar rent. I can tell the program.
I will clip in our watch.
Match over business in me video so here can me. I need you go me. I joined because I say, look, my parents is very, very sick. I need money. Man, I can't wait. I need money to do the battle stars. I need to come up with sham. You go here. Top there, I want to look at one side. One day I lost it. Yeah, move. And that was it.
I will clip now. Watch it. Every content I say, I'm not quite home in a block way. Now, my him in a block.
If go na ma see as am him dey kunu.
You see, my him in a block. I can be my him in. She na uda gine de na life stream. She kija my him.
Esha ko jezi ipu mangala.
She kija my him.
Ipu mangala.
Uda gine de na life stream. Even na kwa him biara me. Esha kija my him.
Esha ka hu jezu yo. Ema na hezu be nyo keketa. Sha na eche ya kucha ha amadu ya block la anya ya tigi mpuba barafuo. Because amadu ya ndi ishi. Nke we fi don ala shi ndi nwada ya ayo. Why rating is always wearing glass even in the window. He's trying to emulate those old women. I know him. That is just his mechanism of emulating old women. Frankly, they create join them. On a copy until Oge for well about to age. When a problem, that's why she's wearing it. But you are wearing it for fashion purpose. Are you for real? With hairstyle hard roll shit. Fashion in the move, but I'm oh, the same one cook with the ancient.
And every day I walk, whatever I walk for, they make up what I go. They make a damn one.
Let's work here about the habit too. You can send around like 20,000. Keep any the mail gently. Can you send the good
apple?
So I'm catching me probably weekend come and I'm not again.
We will go down more here. Root one more. I will push undo muchu.
That's the very stressful. I developed no
Atinaka gum, Atina the teacher mean Nelua. Talk on me, yeah, before my talk on me. Okay, come on. Coca by Condore. I give my hit on a general mutu. So
give me money. For Papa, my doctor described it for me. Put a million more.
He want to
Couldn't be the home.
He shall give you for dinner. Now, back one. I never walk in. How we make it. I
can't break it.
Come and hear a room to a treasure. You come and hear a room to a treasure. So that hotel is him. Oh, my party decide we won't try. Oh, my God, I'm the job I go much. When I got we can do much. I shit, we had what we can. I am here when I could where I in Alpa.
Olu ha n'ibe anyị jụ. Aya ka eji wee dimi di aghụghọ. Anyị jụ zọrọ isi anyị. Kama ya ka zọrọ anyị were aghụghọ zọrọ isi anyị. Aya ka anyị ji dị aghụghọ.
That's when Jawa will joke me 1 hour.
Anyị na-aga aghụghọ. Ihe ọkụrụ ka m ga-eji onye muchi.
Kubana's kitchen about type on a comment section.
Kubana's kitchen nwunye m. Ndị muchi na-abịa. So,
now. I'm so wake up here. You come in here.
Anyị na-ekwe. Kami jago boy anyị regi. Anyị nọ ndị ihe mụrụ anya anyị regi. Anyị na-egi na ego la. Ịnọkwa ebe hewa anya ka ewe kwa go. Ihe anyị ma ya. So ọba uru.
Du uche bela bi so owe ye ogif.
Ihe uche gị. Ihe iche n'uche gị anyị ma ya.
Oyi bu bia abela mtaka. Ndị abala se bela okay.
Bam! Akwanya mara sana ni kubala
akwa ozara
All people are the best.
ozara akwukwa.
Kubala si shino na nda mara sana ale ka nka gwa ga agwa n'oge.
Onye mara sana ka pe chikono.
Eko be ni bia ru mu tu eme. Onye ma nwoke echa bi ipe. Ewe ni ya de ma gi bute bara Onye nke echa
Onye mara sana ale.
Azụlọ azụlọ piofete ibia bara asa
ndị be eze kaka
Obi former professor nwunye the man who there kpọ ya taa ọgụ taa.
Whether you be n'anya.
Whether you be anya do ya ọkụ ọhụ.
Ihe mebe wara asa adọrọkwa. Enwere ọkụ dadị. But that family I'm quite big family.
I got school na chira ka onu muchu.
Mba kwa kwa ba wale chaka school.
Okay, yeah, say no that's.
I don't know lot.
I'm going to be a myself. I can be diva.
Mimi, Sean Beth, how are you? Only one that for
I'm actually well. How would you?
That's a gate. Uzo diga duru gate.
So better Enugu mon. Enugu mon ya. Enugu mon ya.
No na china.
Esu sa china ga. Ke ko
Kamuna sa ga kwe.
Yes, it's what I'm saying.
All this pot. I used to cook food. I cook very well. This is my
hallelujah, no one the hallelujah.
Imukandi hanu mutu nwechara bandri Jesus.
Obulibo, ime ofra kama na abulibo.
Umuchu na amesi were bandri, umuchu na achina were. Enugu mo na ụmụ aka ụmụ nze.
Ụmụaka, yeah.
Chineke.
Ọ ka ha nọ n'etiti.
N'etiti na.
Nake duele chanya. Angi mani bịara ibe achọ. Ewe gunegi.
Onwe na ma ọ wọ ọkọ.
Maka nwoke ebe na amadi umuchu umuchu ụmụ nwanyị na-abịa ewekọrọ anya
Ewe na abụghị ọkọ.
Onye ma nwoke nke ịchọrọ igwu wayo ya wee pịawa gị azụ.
Good morning. Yes, I need this from. How can I get it? I need this urgent, please. I need it from.
So, okay, question about life is 5.
Okay, it's 180,000 for full. It's 180,000 for full. It's same again.
Guys, to be okay, I have 5 or 7.
Kabeke nyegodin kabeke send around 20,000 before we too. Beke I'm going to make but
Beke. I'm not.
What Beke na nyami lu abi no.
Ora ko so na do abi na bed.
Apa ko wanyara.
Beke. Taga hora korako. Na beke o ba fine girl o. Beke agba na camera.
Beke baby. Beke go take the money before you know me then I was though.
Adi very too much. That time we tell when I have a live stream. Became going new life and I support her. Became needs to support her that time. And I tell her, hey,
Bekee ahụ n'eziokwu n'alie.
na ya hit a bit. Oh yeah,
Bekee ngwa. Mfe go there na money point 20K.
yeah hit a beke. I see beke. All I do my money. Hey, that's one key.
Nonsense. Not go wrong, but if you take my here, run and kill up on his hand one here. Come on, money point the bar for now. Someone.
Ọra ka nke na-agba m sọga, ọra ka hara mụ. Ọra ka ha dọkwa m o. Di m na big screen. Di m na big screen.
Screaming.
Bekee mụkwa mma nwaanyị.
Beke mama.
Did you buy abacha? No. When it came one that is there.
Bekee nwaanyị ji agba ọsọ.
Amakwa na anaghị ego eke ị gara egosi wanki.
Bekee nwaanyị ji agba ọsọ.
Wanki Heroes nke ede.
Ọlẹ́rọ̀ nù. Ìpòwé bẹ̀yẹ fún.
Saga, see all that you are doing.
I will not be present to your sign out party.
I chop.
Honestly.
Onye ka ị na-agwa? Achọpụta
I
Saga
don't want
ọfụma
to
ka
come
chiri
and
dum. Chiri dum.
so that you have your time to go.
Ife ọ na-agbasa ka ga nọrọ. Na ebe ọ na-agbasa ka
I gather money.
Na Bekee ebe ka ị nọ? Ị nọ n'elu ọkada?
Bekee ịchọ na fan ka a dọrọ on. Gbanye. My own. Oh my own. Where am I now? Just buy everything.
Oh, I don't know. No answer. Oh, you want to mongo? Oh, you want to mongo? Ni why? I need to show you.
Alonya. Amo, sao ka mo you want to mongo? See that boy they go for. I'm a different one I mongo before.
They can, but when you're not in a bed, if for our lack of why would you marry? You got me a bed. Eh?
Let's talk a hard job again.
Bekee ọgachara ije ọfọ ya ọna.
No, this is why all I can show you I'm in a bed.
Pọnụ m ofu m.
Na gị na ọra kụrụ eji na mgbe
Mama ya ewere ntị Saga ya.
Let's go offline and come back by 6.
Jump in the Porsche, my target. Jump in the lamb, I ain't parking it. Ice is so cold, that's no bargaining. Go to my show, they applaud me. She call my phone with emergency. She call my phone with that urgency. I said, girl, why you keep calling? I said, girl, why you keep calling? Yeah, she said, I need a new way. Yeah, cause I know that you still falling. She just wanna go back to the future, so I brought that girl a DeLorean. 21 minutes until I gotta go, so I told that girl I'm gonna slaughter it. I met that girl right up at my show. Left man in the crowd on the floor. Out of town, never saw her before. Told her, baby, we don't got that long. Listen, this not my city show, but I treat it like my city show. 20 more minutes into I'm on. 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 Yeah, I am not slow because you want me, cause I got the dope. That's like a ride on my freaking coat. He passed me Humphrey, so they switching roles.
Halo. Halo Evan Nico. Sabar, sabar. Cover.
Ima na eligo gi. Guys, because power tap, all go put all you. Remy was to pull up on a Spain, and we had a minute on a Spain. From there, Remy Agazuoshi. There were very bad criminal records. And when did it as some HG happening? Or without even paying a diary. Egideriana the same day, which the only son of him in the Delta Jitolaya. Don't worry, I will play the record. Agent the morning. Odele.
Alcalista, preach on.
Ma faccio me da chapter but ima I made them shopping. Me shopping. Oja last school. So I've been busy throughout this week. Obiakwana, I need to get breakfast. And then I get seated for the last breakfast. Oh, but I'm no camera mommy, or you will not go with us. Now, Remy was stuck illiterate. Remy are passing A, B, C, D. Remy returned to Nigeria. Remy met you. Because again, he walked out for now. Before last school now. The last breakfast before last school now. What I mean? What I go before I allow back to school until you return up holiday and then I hear the call. But for now, I ain't what I go. Now, Remy Juice or Remy was deported because of his criminality. Remy Alota met you. Remy stayed with you for years. Remy could not impregnate you. You had to go and demand again. You had to go out of your league. Because the first thing Remy Baraka Maggie were a troublemaker. Each in a family chicasa, they rejected you, rejected your mother. Each from family chicasa, Nanewi. Ndamama. Because of your mother was busy bringing a cause to that family. Your mother was bringing problem to that family. Because Maggie got done poor, Ebana tofu dot, Ebana don't put a spin. Imagine if she Maggie got done poor Maggie because after bringing punishment, what she know? A Brunegi got done poor. Na the Mosurati. Negi. Actually, putting at the main compound. From two places to place. Nepota. Shim na one negi one. Where, Ebane Reishi. Atan negi, and we pay one of you, we pay any of your city. I'm more one. Get me an hour shopper. An hour on a strap line. Small. Negi that get back to you. Maggie were troublemaker and Mary. Troublemaker. Instead of because of Nikki were caused on a betray her bad reputation. I told her Maggie to Jebe family in a dump garbage. Maggie. Did you see where your mother saw Maggie? The so-called claimed in your mother was stopped and still living. Ebe Maishi Mangwere Marakoreko Melissa Macrafish Ebo Meba and your money. No wonder you are used to mosquito. Ekoba, Dakoba. You are a disgrace. Maggie, Maneki. Give it you Muneki in a way tell you. Instead of you, in on to get Brumbombo Gibuko Sereni. Gina the baby, Gaberabino. They are actually Chopogan whatever. I cannot leave Eremi that you go on your show. On your sheet to Choproke. Imagine going your sheet to Proke. Remy Ashino, I cannot live with a woman. Mama and I'm on Gaga to the way to take Berlin and Yanolu. Remy to the Juma. Remy to the boy. This thing is to the notion. But you should take this thing you stole from another generation. Now, that what you saw for that man. Didn't send him that video. Now, this is what you've been doing. In our to ever, up on Google Gabonia. Down to ever, up on Google Gabonia. Udela, thank God that he may pronounce it. Now, I need him with doctor. Now, I need him one. Other easy. That is his title. That is his title. Oh, hey, okay, now I'm not going to send them the video. No, Udela, thank you for recognizing who Dr. Ugochukwu, Army General, the 7-star G. Thank you for recognizing that Ogechi is under a man. Thank you for identifying the class. Udela, Udela. Imagine what you are living now. Upon say, in a no lord, Mine claim say Remy marry you. Oh no, what caretaker and them town. The good caretaker, every no name, make caretaker. Carabino chopoge, Parambongwe apo. Now let's go to Remy's record. I say, onye iklamon, Dr. Gana. Let's go to Remy's record. Tyler Remy, how Remy was deported. Because I'm General Doctor, Fortunate, Doctor, Ugochukwu, Doctor, Fortunate, always attack them together. But I don't deal with criminals. I deal with the people who want integrities and the people who want fingerprints. If I'm in America, how family goes on. One Sedika, Ndedika want to HIV, not support again. Ndeka have 5 years in future, because I cost America go. They are costing America money. No hygiene, in your entire generation, and what you do, look at your generation, look at the generation of it. Let the man eat it. And what do you Ashimana the ABCD? Even common associate, even common bachelor, even common diploma, Udela, and one family kike Melia, and to get banana. Talk about no phone to that. To that Bible today. If you watch Obanaka, the 2 hands. If through the 2 watch, no be more. That's way back. That is the latest fashion in the States. Did you see it? Gaguku, that thing on Banako food. Came mana when you can make you fair. Oburo your regular. He is not to Remy, Ama ABCD. He is not to Remy, Garagazuo shit twice in the port where. No. In American attack is sometimes. Print here is recognized in America. Man, if you reach Nigeria, down here go to bar. Go, there. Until your generation finishes. Until that began to know why. No, you can't smell a bit. Even your useless drug addict, Uncle Gi Usam, or just run down as a regular army. But I'm going to get position past position. Education, je draw money. You can only terrorize others. I am your last draw. Is a no. You are not in the radar. You can't step an inch anymore. I'm a that unfortunate cancer, Ibunolu. That boom, that all metere, Nolu. That thing Chagaya before my happen. I've been using maybe who go pressure. Bupugi, Damana, or Wogechi. Ebunyem Gibuan in downtown. One Bua Punolu. One Ocalisia power. Oh, Kalesia power. Eh? Why you put problem upon problem, Nolu? Why you put Ghana for Ian Neapodolu? Mata gita buoki. A woman, as it compare I am animating shop again. You got book. I don't remember this your two useless foolish follower. So requests. I click and block them. Those two useless prostitutes, your uniform, wear the audacity, pay my gotenelu. Maro bongo, rumo here, that he binolu. Arola mingo, runyekina, or oga he binolu. Angam place ringo. It's a problem. Now look at the enemy history. The enemy is a criminal that was deported. Look at the enemy history. The enemy fingerprint detected everything on your shit. A bandit on your shit. We dig out to Remy and dig out only criminals settle with criminals. A thief, a drug addict, Kalesia. On your shit, hello. Remy with bandits. A bandit that chopolage. Your so-called on your shit, drug addict. On your shit is what she. Let me warn you, she. Let me just warn you, she. And I think it's surprised that we dig out a bastard and rob. There, Nigerian homicide. There, homicide was also Nigerian homicide. No she. A bandit on no she. In a Surani, how can I bomb? Eh? On your she.
On your she. Osura Balaga. Let me just see one she come and deport you. Let me just one your Oshi.
Onyoshi. Bandits. Only question who take it permanent. Onyoshi the kaki. A woman that has no reputation. Common primary school, you know pass. Common primary school, you know pass. If you are abroad, make yourself upgrade. They will choose to be abroad to see share. They will choose to be abroad to mama Canada. Atoya, Jiria can okay. Abroad spiritual, abroad physical. Your life is ruined. So all you could offer us after your messed up, miserable life will be the Bawa Shabo. Look at your life. Listen to yourself what you do. Hey! Prostitute. He was a local prostitute that showered. Ibara jail, Gabara jail. Ibara jail, Gabara jail. The good beginning. Osu de kage. And when you just compare again on what? Apunare enwe, suenwe. You're welcome. anụ ọkụ nwụrụ anwụ rachara m ọdụ gba ọsọ ọ bụrụ na inye obe ego ọdụ iji m ọ bụrụ na inye obe ego ọdụ ịlalụ m ma moto ekwugo mgbe a na ọghọ m ọ bụrụ na inye obe ego ọdụ ịlalụ m na Asaba ọ dịkwa ọdụ anyị lalụ m na Asaba inye obe ego ọdụ ahụ ma ọ bụrụ na agbahọ na akpati ozu ọ na ikwu ịlalụ na bụ ọghọ ọnụ ikwu ịlalụ ifuru na ị ga-aracha m ọdụ gba ọsọ ifuru na ị ga-ala m ọdụ racha m ọdụ gba ọsọ ọ bụrụ na inye obe ego ọdụ ịlalụ m ọ bụrụ na inye obe ego ọdụ ịlalụ m ma ọ bụrụ na enwụọ Udela leno ndoge. Look at the life you are living now. Look at the life you are living. Alacha God adon poge. Madam Ojota ego. Ohi na ga buru infection na abuja. Ohi na ga buru infection na abuja. Then your situation apunarere we go. Look at you. All public, all age away go. No one did you do Abuja. In a lawyer, Ghana Kabukabu driver, Ghana Animo, Gabriel infection, may figure. Like I'm dogged. Lack of regrets. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Arubengweja Pushoro Jobo. Ibru POS, give them a line against wishing. Give me van. Give Brook okay. I got it the whole states. Lagos. This year, Belagos. Gaba, Saba. Ichia Saba. Gaba. Utele Unye Bui Bramu Nimo Toke. Utele. Unye Jibamu Gego Sensus. Are you not ashamed of yourself? And they know about Konina on what diary. And I don't want to watch it. Look at every place in our Okutu, in our Odubegi. What a great question on her school. That is why she will end up being Aburu. That is why she will end up being a kidnapper. That is why he will end up being Aburu Dekade. That is why he will end up being so-called person on our one night. And Ejirila Kosu Chilata Nigeria about the port where Mwajiwa that baby questioning on our school now. Kiburiatum, Deburiamonso. Ebolana Choge, Nagojafolena, he cannot even make a complete sentence. I just pity the womb. That mother that gave back to that boy. Look at a boy, another woman here will not know more. Hebrew and our land. You want a conscience. You want a little conscience in your life that you are destroying another person's child in the name of your criminality and your useless lifestyle. Eh? She make a good sentence. She got the work to be out there a simple thing for we are. Or watch China get ban and in a hotel. Or watch China get a ban and in a hotel. Take she learn to wine because a man with a pen, a woman in a jail boom 9 months. Another woman a Mugaga soon. Now like ye. Udele. The good can watch shall watch that bag the touch. Now I get from hotel to hotel. Ija Abuja, get an apple. Get Saba, get an apple. Get Lagos, get an apple. Udele. What will be the future of that small boy? Udele. What will be the future? What put on that near Hochorogato or what put any man in Aragana? Kobewaraka, Kaibia Fia. Again, I be away. I told me for something. And when the man got the proud to come out and dance with you, other possible. Udele, here again, me bullet. He got the Korani, catching again, and you who gave go. He got the Korani, catching again, you who gave go. How long will you continue? Each job will go about so. Udele, 900,000. Can a job for what you share? That useless woman that gave back to you. That idiot to Soga Basaga. That I know what he called the mother and Ogi, so no give back saga. I pour me on. Ire me wogi me buya. Ire me wogi me wonegi. Am I surprised? I'm not surprised. A woman agent and a name, nobody can testify any good thing about Negi. Oh, Kote Buchereki. I can't get a name. I hear people we are busy testifying about your mother. Kebe one nigga working. Upon one about Nanya, we share this yamma. Magilet no your gatina. That was the only son.
Unless Otubo metrula upgrade. Otubo upgrade, you can acquire 5,000 per night. Gina China. There, get China without condom. Get to was 2,000, nearly a mayor 7,000. Gina China with a kai. Some will give me. And the make sure that it will antibiotics no get. Or the only remedy in it. 100,000 naira and then 100,000 who dele a woman see somebody that go with all to like what I'm poro all to like shushi
Preach on.
all to like she juruni meya all to get rure I don't give you 100,000. So proceed, my queen. Don't give her such credits. She's a nobody in your 100,000 credits.
I stand to be corrected. Most of the very anyway, it's for them Shana give for free now, Abuja. I give infection. Imagine your level. Eh? Be shaking. Infection for free. Auto Akugara, the quality free infection. Energy. Let me tell you, if you like, the next lawyer I got what I get with the legal ganga. After you're a channel lawyer, eh? After you're a channel lawyer, how far we can also a queen on a house arrest. You don't want a lawyer on go play. After you're a channel lawyer, how far am I kids? Eh? You see your life. Maybe someone may just breakfast or come now. I got to make a video. I can't know she made a video. I make a video. She said, "No, just breakfast. I got to make a breakfast. I can make a video." Guys, you see me wahala. In fact, German, I got me. German, I got me. German, because I come a video. I got me. Now come on, get video. She made a video. Hey, God, the pay go. Oh, the pay go. German, Joe, Alan, take home. Okay, I got what do you make breakfast? Mama Sagam, Mama Sagamo. Udele. We need just what you do, Peggy. I will tell you. Or we need just what you do, Peggy, my ABCD. In a pushing to Peggy, Kisha, Mepere, social media. Show me your mama. I will tell you what your child will become in future. Udele. Abu homu gono. I will tell you. Ndagire ni ekwonini pulata ya from Spain. Remy Wonyoshi. Remy was a thief. Baby Suroshi, Gachanga, Atolapa. Eh? He Torisu also to Becky. Also to Becky. He Torishi, take your from hotel to hotel.
Now, my queen, may I give another detail of Chidubegi, or Chidubeya, or Chidubeya.
Also there. Also there.
Chidubeya. Chidubeya, Ima, Gileanya. Iga hoshi owu an effeminate young boy.
Feminine boy, all because me gay, boy on a poku.
Ojena and wine, all the feminine.
Yes.
So udele jeme everything possible ko a ogeme ka nwoke. And they manana udele ge wa shower ho na agba. The idea wo ya orochi dubem jema ala ajira chanya. Yana ma ima nda usa e wede ke jara o ana ga na aro neke. Iwala. So nda onye ahụ ejara oge onye oshisi ya udele. Ya ara udele ya ara Chidube ha. So she also traffics Chidubeya because him as a Chidubeya cannot be able to speak for himself. That is why most time give udele me video nga oji gifts and aginye Chidubeya. Oje we a gift. Ya she ewo nde manu she ani aho. Gift aho wo otulara. Ewo ne bo betara shin no. No otula Chidube vuma livu. Ya wo spam how you get the boy ni.
Yes.
So the boy is here receive for amo. Ewo at his age and another boy 247. Now would you spam ni mo otula. So all heshima ko about the boy. Proceed my queen. Okumawa.
Udele, achọrọ m iji gị vidio i mere yesterday busuo ya ịma na ọka nwanne gị nwaanyị ka i busu stop busing yo ịma kemgbe m mara gị wọọ views gị reduzuku kemgbe m bemere gị ya but he was able to boost this you and your useless prostitute sister ndị alụbeghị the only grandchild nne gị nwere wusu this one ije jetụkwa ụmụnne gị no nwanne gị nwaanyị nke arụrụ nọọsụ mụrụ nwa n'ụlọ echefuole m that one ihe pụrụ mma gị n'ahụ peace that one ihe pụrụ mma gị n'ahụ ụkwa ịma na ọwụ nwanne gị nwaanyị tụrụ ime ya dọmpụọ ọ bụla nwa you and that Ozudube gị that your Ozudube gị na that one nwanne gị nwaanyị mụrụ n'ụlọ nke ihe pụrụ mma gị n'ahụ peace ya nwanne gị nwaanyị na-arụ Eliza nọọsụ that one a sị na gị na nke ahụ dị na mmụọ m ji hapụ ya. But achọrọ m
Good evening, ma.
Good evening, nwaanyị ọma. Achọrọ m play video you and your sister.
Agwara m ime afịa ka m bịagolu ọkịlịka uwe bụrụ isi ka aha na nwa ewee sị nna m dịka onye Yoruba ọmụ na-agba celebrity ọmakọrọ m ebe ụgbọ m ka m maka etiri m ya ọkịlịka ka ọ na-ele ebe atret fe emenyeli ya kwuru ka adịrọ mma mana ọ chọrọ m okwu mana ọ nwere ọ chọrọ m okwu mana o nwere
the lady because you're working on mute. Put yourself on mute.
Okay.
The lady is going to hear Yoruba. That is serious. Imagine that qualify into female. Hana Juoyi, Hana, how you didn't talk with it. Bleaching and destroy Yalaki, man of Bragash look to get them. You look like on your female. Now you bleaching table with her. If you got about she's describing who you are. I heard German Yoruba. About Tene, about Betty, about walking who, about who put the right bazaar, about like yellow, blue, and black. Why now we are not joy? Why you wear it? Many spam who shitty blue and black. The lady told you exactly. Get out to the go. She told you the truth. Lead on your family. Eba rock on the balcony who. And I told you. You look very dirty. This is what you look like. When you say, man, how can I have you? I'm not money. I can't. Which is celebrity? Celebrity says so. Celebrity don't worry. Celebrity don't put infection. Celebrity now up to 5,000. Nation I got for your bar. Also, in a Congo car on the day you bunch. The summer we bunch when I go to dump water. The summer we bunch shit in Jahelo, okay? Because you expected more money. You expected more money. Because now nobody go to keep on sharing of Yana, a condemned poor infection. Yeah, she is because oh, she no chanagi, no in she. Now, okay, there is no good thing smelling out of Ibugi. Ibugi sugar. All sugar. All sugar, oh, Camaronia. Oh, no, Jimmy Balaga. So you expected on your brego from Egon ship. Yeah, what I was found. Yeah, what I'm shit. What all the name of it? You still expect money. I was it. Imagine I'm shit. The Bragi Momo.
To the land to Malaga Oro. I see Mudelo to Gurere Oro. And I got to Malaga Oro. Udelere no more paying of your auto. Auto gate is worthless.
The one thing we will get is shapeless. If we get a photo before, if we get is shapeless, another G who got compare equal. That one equal on your lateral ya for go. But to get here, because sorry, worthless. Body that is very dirty looking. Why a jack go? Why a jack go? Up way. The Papa who get in a jiba oh, laps to get jiba. I could go back jiba. Who carries that kind of things body again? I'll get a joy. Your body is very irritating. Oh, every working around here, give him a dollar. Give him a dollar.
Oh, favor now. I'm making one.
It's not working on mute because.
Okay.
Tiana working on mute now.
Oh, I can't see you.
If I got on that bridge, across family road, opposite to the right. My sweetheart, one day more. Hey, you get a power. You get a power. I'll get it out. Hey, I'll get it. I'll get it. I'll get it. I'll get it.
Because the market women, because in the fans, delay her and they let him money. Look at them. Because in then actually tell power. I'll take care to all the women.